Watch now. There we go. Oh man, that is fucking a lot of seizure-inducing.
Can you see the game good enough?
Yeah, I wish it was bigger.
Here, let me make it bigger.
And I wish it wasn't blinking as much. I like the idea, but the blinking.
It needs to be bigger. That needs to be the thing is any arcade machine is not like, you know, if they want to make it look realistic, they're not going to make it at the right ratio, right? It'll be at 3:4. Yeah. But all right, so there's a lot of movement options. One might say too many now. So I can do. So let's see. If I hit B, I'll do like a short. That I'll do a long one with down and the jump button. You know, dashes in there, and now I have this.
That looks good. I like that. A wall climb.
A wall grab, yeah.
Wall grab.
And then also I have a quick. This is the one I'm most on the fence about because I think it gives you maybe a little bit too much mobility. And hold on, I have to turn this insane music off. What the hell is this? So now there's like a side air roll thing, which is the same button as your quick roll. There's a quick fall. And then there's like, you know, there's still these sort of like little rolls you can do. And then there's just a lot of moves you can do. If you're good enough, I think you can.
It looks very nice. And I guess you could see, I could see you using the wall grab for like if we put a, you know, hiding behind like a vent up top or something and dropping down.
I want a billboard right here that you can like, that will like, you know how some billboards do that thing where like they're made up of a bunch of slits that just like flip around so that there's, you know, it changes the billboard.
Yeah, there's multiple
things on this. Like I want a billboard that does that periodically so you can like mostly be safe passing behind it, but might get caught as it's switching between the two.
That'd be neat.
Billboard
sides. The question I have is the fuck, hold on. I had it and I lost it. I had it before.
Oh, also, if you do the air roll too, you'll automatically do like a quick little this when you get up there. Quick little slide.
Oh, the billboard. Does one do like cities have billboards just like between buildings?
Oh, they're everywhere. Yeah.
I mean, it depends on the city, I guess. But
I've never seen like a billboard between a building. Like I see it next to the highway.
Whatever, it's cyberpunk.
I see like signs on top of like on the outsides of buildings, but not like between them. You know.
Yeah.
I guess you could put it where that balcony is, right where that balcony is.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be super realistic. It could just be there because it's there.
But that would be a good place for it. Is a sign right where that balcony is.
Yeah, well, right. I was thinking it would be decently big enough that you could. Big enough to obstruct enough space where you can move between at least these two first floors, you know, behind it. Like that it would be a thing that would hide you. Also, I want to turn these birds that are flying by into bats because it's nighttime now.
Did you just steal that animation for the birds or did someone draw it?
I stole that. That's way too good to be done by me.
I
mean, a lot of it. Yeah, everything will have to be replaced pretty much that I put in because I just put in.
I just want to. That's something I could easily see us forgetting to replace. Have you gotten in line yet?
I have not been able to. I've not gotten in this line. Oh yes, I have. Yes, I have. You just stand there, right, and they'll just move.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you can. If you get in the back, you will literally like see how he recognized. Oh, you're there.
Yeah, I know they'll.
Well, it gives you a lot of leeway because I realize it shouldn't be more about like Because when it shifts, you need
to be perfect, basically, right? You need
I don't. So when you shift, your position where you need to be is gonna move in one step.
I was thinking
but
about
you won't move in one step, so I just made it really long.
I think what you can do to make that work and doable as a place to hide is you just need to make it so when the shift happens, they're all off by a little bit. They're all.
No, I think the line works perfectly. I have no issues with how it works.
There's no way. It is a bad idea to get in this line right now ever. Like it.
Why? When I tested with Marcus, I couldn't figure him out.
Dave couldn't figure out who I was. You might not have the updated movement scripts on the line. Yeah, you don't. So you have the old movement scripts, which are right now the way we have it now. We made a small adjustment to make it so that the line. Well, here I'll show you, and we'll see if you can figure out who I am.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking blow my brains out if Frem doesn't stop cartwheeling every day, everywhere, all fucking day. Literally every... I'm not kidding. She does hundreds of cartwheels a day.
you have to goad her into hurting herself. Better she can't do it down the stairs.
That's what a real gymnast would do, Rem. Show her that video of the girl with the sprained ankle who won the Olympics.
Alright, are you watching right now?
Yep.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna restart the room. Don't watch for a second.
Hold on, I saw who you were. Because you ran.
I didn't tell you to look yet!
Alright, hold on. I'm closing my eyes.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go.
I saw what color you were, though, so change your guy again.
I can change the colors anytime I want. I really need that line to get bigger, though, so I'm gonna up that line even more.
Are you orange?
I'm not orange. I can't believe you didn't see it there because I really fucked it up.
I'm really focused in on this orange guy. But yeah, that's good. That's basically what I was going to suggest doing, except for I was going to do just a delay, a random delay.
See if you can figure out who I am.
Alright, hold on. I want to look close. You're greenish?
Nope.
You're blue.
Nope.
I don't know, there's only like one color I haven't guessed, right?
No, you can give me a position if you think you know which one I am.
Oh, you tricked me.
Woo! Seems to be an issue that I've introduced with this most recent patch of phantom people. There's someone here. That doesn't have a sprite.
I was gonna say there's a spot in the line that was like unfilled.
Right here, yeah, this is it.
Do you destroy and recreate them or anything where the
no these things, like, look, you see how these things are still 0? No one is, like, no one's gone up or down these things. I've disabled them. So this is something else I must have done. I don't know what it is. I'll have to figure that out at some point. The only time it matters, I guess, is really for the line.
Are you sure there's a guy there, or is it a problem with the line?
It must be. It couldn't do it if there wasn't an ID there, an object ID. There's an object there.
Have all the NPCs draw a number above their head, and let's see if there's really a guy there. I've decided with the kill button, zoom in, heartbeat thing. Every time the heartbeat sound effect sounds, that's when, like, the little area coming out from your feet that, you know, is the kill area will expand, and it'll, like, contract and expand like a... It'll go boom, and then... That should be our thing as Heartland.
Why is that not working?
Did you put it in their draw event or something?
Yeah, put it in the draw event. Does it not? Does it have to not be on? It has to be on your thing.
You might you could try putting it in draw or draw GUI.
I thought that would still work.
I thought it would still work too. I don't know why it's not.
It draws for one thing, and weirdly in some weird place. Like, look where it draws.
Do they have a parent?
No. Look where it draws. It fucking.
Are you in draw GUI?
No, it's just draw.
I don't even see
It's
it
the
being
existing
drawn.
draw event.
Oh, it's drawn like behind them.
Well, it's drawing behind one person, but there it is. There's an NPC. It's only drawing for one NPC, and he's in line.
Oh no, it's just drawing behind them, right? You can't see.
Oh, yep, you're right. You're right. I'm just, I forgot that the thing's at their feet.
Well, that kind of
so I have to
worked
go way
perfectly,
higher.
actually. That kind of worked better than even.
Yeah, like, what the fuck is this thing?
Maybe you should just leave that on in case.
Yeah,
Like-
I'm just doing confirmation here, but I know you're right, but I want to make sure. Yeah, there they go. Alright. So yeah, there's an invisible NPC. It starts invisible. I don't know why.
He must just not be being drawn by the list, so he's not making it into the list for some reason. And if you messed with the draw, you probably did something in there, right? Where it's...
Let's see what the draw... I only messed with a couple things in the draw. Oh god, whenever I have a fucking controller connected, GameMaker does this weird ass thing where it constantly sends my mouse cursor up.
Maybe that's what my fucking problem is with my weird computer ghost thing. Because I have had a lot of issues with
happening
GameMaker
right
and
now.
my controller. Like I had like it just constantly disconnects unless I get the bad controller. It doesn't do it with the bad one. I'm playing with the bad one with the sharp joystick.
Ugh, it drives me insane. The only way for me to fucking fix it is to...
Plug it and unplug it.
No, it's... Well, I guess I could disconnect my controller, but... Oh yeah, let's see if that works. I've been just restarting GameMaker to get it to work. But I don't have a control...
Mine does it so frequently that it's not like even feasible to restart GameMaker every time it happens.
Yeah, that worked. It is the controller for sure, because restart or unplugging and plugging it back in fixed it.
But I want everyone's feedback on the movement system so I can not change it before we play test. I'm probably not going to do anything, but I will, you know, take notes for the second round.
So I see here you have the object to add. Like, where do you actually add the objects to the grid? Looks like.
In this script, I think.
So, yeah, I see that, but there's no. I don't see a repeat. Like I see this would theoretically do it once.
All right, so it gets the instance number, the total number of instances for the first object.
But
and
like
second
where
object
you're
to
saying
add.
you're adding them to the grid, right? Right after the resize grid.
Right after the resize grid.
You have add instance to grid, add second instances to grid.
Yeah.
But those, I mean, this might be something unique to GameMaker. But those with statements, from my understanding, I thought those would only occur once. For it would just find the first instance of the object that you have in the with statement.
Yeah, if you just put the object, you know, name, type it in there, yeah, or the instance number in there, yes. But I'm defining instance number 2, right? And then I'm looping by the number of instances there are.
Where's the loop? You loop down here.
Yeah, repeat.
Yeah, but that's looping.
Oh, I see why.
Where are you adding them? So is this somehow adding all instances of the object, like object NPC in here? Like this is the one that would address object NPC. This first instance here. Is this somehow adding all of the object NPCs? Because that's not how I understood the width would work. But maybe it's a weird GameMaker thing. I also like when you do width, the YY should be a, like, wouldn't this need to be other.yy if you were trying to loop with this?
Wouldn't what need to be other? What line?
Unless the YY is purely Like this YY here, right? You set YY equal to 0, right?
What line are you on? Sorry.
Line
Okay.
18, YY
Yeah, okay.
equals 0.
Yeah.
So you go, so line 18 through line 25 should cover the object NPCs, right? Because that's what you feed object NPC as the argument for that part, right?
Yes. You're.
In the draw event for object cam, line
Yeah. Okay.
The first argument is object NPC, so object NPC is the one being fed into that with statement on line 19 of that script. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So.
Yes. So I'm defining that. That is a type.
So that YY plus plus. How is that getting the that would be with object to add. So object NPC doesn't have a YY variable. So I'm surprised that even works at all, honestly, unless you give it a YY variable. Because when you do with, all that stuff becomes local variables, right? So local to the with object.
So there's are weird rules about using with and you don't always have to use other to use the calling variables or the calling objects variables with. There's weird rules. I don't really know what they are, but it definitely works sometimes.
Oh, God, I hate GameMaker.
It
doesn't follow any standard rules. Okay, so that's a weird. So we'll call that a weird GameMaker thing. So then, does a with statement in GameMaker, if you feed it an object that has multiple instances of that object, will it automatically loop through?
Yes, I think so. I think that's how this is written.
Okay. All right. I didn't. That again seemed to me like something that shouldn't happen because I guess GameMaker
it's weird
just
because
does
like
that.
I
That's not how other languages work.
Well, hold on. Let me go back to.
So now I understand how that works.
Hold on. Let me go back to. Let's look at draw all instance by Y because that was what I originally wrote, and then I had to add the players to it, so I did a bunch of shit. So I might have done some.
Hold on. First, I want to do this. I want it to draw its own ID. I know I create 30 of these. So
oh no. Okay, so this is what's happening. I'm getting the number. Maybe this is different in the draw all by people, and maybe I messed something up when I was moving stuff around.
It does seem to be the last instance that gets left out. It's the very last instance. Go ahead.
So first, I'm getting the number of instances for the we'll say the NPCs.
Yeah,
right?
that's 11. That's 12 and 13. You get the number of instances for each object.
Then I'm resizing like pass-through grid to
match
that.
what you anticipate the size to need to be.
Then I'm setting YY to 0, and then with the object, I'm just adding the it by the object by the.
You're adding it to the grid.
By the instance number.
You should be incrementing YY, which again, I didn't realize that that's a thing that could work, because if I were coding this, I would assume that would need the other dot variable to work. But that being said, okay, that's something GameMaker does, cool. And it sounds like
no, if I had
statement
here's
also
what it is.
automatically loops through all the instances.
Here's why that works, because the instance number is defined as a local variable here, I think. Because if that with object to add was whatever color normal shit is, I think like orange or blue or something, I don't think it would work, the incrementing the Y.
Alright, I mean whatever, it is, I guess it's in the scope of the script, but I always assumed with things took all things to a scope of the other variable, its own private scope. But that's fine. So the next question is, does object the object to add with the with statement? I mean, we've already covered this, but you are still saying that with statement is automatically looping through all of them, because with statements apparently just do that, right?
No, it's looping by the Y, the Y, which is set by the. It's looping by the YY until
Where is it loop? It loops down here, down by 44, but that has nothing. 44 has nothing to do with adding it to the grid.
Hold on, let me look back at the original script because it's easier to understand because there's not 2 of everything.
Messed up the grid size of this tile I was making, and it's a whole mess now.
Okay, yes. So I set YY to 0. Then it increments through. You know.
I know how to figure out if what I think is happening is happening. If this message appears multiple times in the console, I know for a fact that it's looping in the with statement on its own.
Looping through what? So it's
the with statement is that with statement at line 19 is not in a loop, correct?
At line 19. Hold on, let me go back to the other one. It's not in a loop. No, the it's not.
Oh, but it's in a step code, a draw code, so it is being called multiple times. Oh, hold on. I think I might see how this is working, and this might make some more sense to me. You might just be incrementing YY forever.
It should only
the draw
increment.
Is occurring multiple times, unless I'm wrong. But
you'd be setting it back to 0 at the beginning of every thing. So that's just to tell you how many times it needs to look for, how many instances it needs to look for. Like it's getting the number.
Yeah, you're right. You do set it back to 0. Okay, but still, oops. Okay, so the with statement does it does loop through. Okay, with statements on their own will if you give it a broad object ID, will loop through all the instances of that object.
It's not automatically looping. It's looping.
It is looping automatically. It's not loop. It's not looping. It's running this with statement for every instance without you having to find each instance individually to run it.
Right.
Without you having to do a for loop, for I equals this, and then do instance find object this and then get each instance and run it individually with a with statement through in a for loop, which is how I would imagine it would need to be done. But GameMaker, it seems, covers that for you with the with statement, which is good to know. That is useful. It's just not something that other programming languages, like, I guess other programming languages don't have with statements in general. They just, you can access an object by doing the object dot. Or at least don't have this iteration of a with statement. Alright, that's good to know. So that's how that's working.
What layer should I put like background walls in?
What layer? The floor layer. The floor and the background wall. Or actually, I guess you want it to be. Yeah, the floor layer, right? Because you'll always want players to be in front.
Yeah, well, I then have to make all like the floors tile in with the. What happens if I change a tile set?
I mean, just make a new one then if you don't want to put new tiles into the floor tile set.
Does it matter making another?
I mean, don't. But I would hold off on doing anything to the room because I'm about to merge and like I made some room changes and it's I don't want to have to figure out what.
Right. Now the goal is to figure out if what is happening is in fact it looks like it's the last instance that's being hit.
The sprites in then.
So it's instance 1077, and if I go up here, instance 1077. So the grid is. It could have been me, but it seems weird that the grid is leaving at the very last instance. So I'm thinking it has something to do with the size.
Yeah,
it's not accounting for the very last thing.
It probably has. It is probably here. So here, here's a way, easy way to test. Go into replace that with that script obj draw all people by Y with draw all instance by Y, and then it should just draw the NPCs and see if it still has the issue.
Where am I replacing?
So
Line 2 of draw.
Yes, yeah, I believe so.
SCR draw all instance by Y.
Yes, replace it with that.
Alright, and then I just need to put object NPC and cut out object player server for the arguments.
Yes, yeah. So just get rid of just put whatever you want to draw in there.
And then the grid, I assume, will just work on its own.
You probably won't be being drawn now, your player object, but
That's fine. I don't need that. I just need to see if it draws the missing NPC. Yeah, the missing NPC is drawn now. Oh wait, hold on.
So it has something to do.
I'm
with...
not sure. I lost him. He's not where he used to be because all the positions.
Make it bigger.
changed.
I can't see.
There he is. Yeah, he's there. I see him. 177 or 1077. He's
okay. So it has something to do with the fact that I'm adding two grids. One for the.
It's just the last one, so you must somehow accidentally be missing the last instance for whatever reason.
It's because I'm not resizing the grid twice. Right?
I would have to look at it more closely real quick. Hold on.
Oh no,
Right.
I'm adding them together, right? DS grid.
My guess is it has something to do with this repeat here. Ugh. Let's get rid of this garbage that I had in here that we don't need. Where is the... Okay, if object NPC draw self. Oh, I see. Okay, I got it. It's because the player, so you do it by the instance number, but the player is one of them too, right? You have to add one. You have to add a plus, if repeat instance number plus inst num 2 or whatever.
Yes, okay, yes, you're right. That is where I knew it was. There was an instance num 1 plus instance num 2 missing somewhere. I thought it was at the top, but yes, you are. Right.
It's the repeat. Yeah, it's because the player gets drawn and takes the spot of one of the what would be the NPCs. So that whole time I didn't notice it, but it was only that line ramping up the line where we realized we had a phantom NPC walking around. Just invisible.
Save your shit down and let's merge so we can all be working on the same.
Let me make sure that this actually works real quick.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah, I learned a lot there. That with statement is actually. Oh wait, he's still fucking missing. God damn it.
Wait.
Oh. I could have sworn that would do it.
I thought that would do it too. So wait.
Fuck.
Repeat. So just make it repeat the size of the grid instead of.
Hold on, let me I guess yeah, that's a good idea. Which variable does it need to go by?
The
DS grid.
D grid. Size of DS grid size.
Is there a size? It doesn't look like size. Maybe length? No. Height? Height? Is that the one we need, or is it? Or
Is there no just size?
Well, size it's a grid, right? So there are two sizes.
So yeah, I guess the height times the width. Yeah.
It wouldn't be that times. It would just be one of them, right? If each instance in the grid.
Oh yeah, you're right, because I'm not saying.
Is each one a row or is each one a column?
No, there's a row and a column, and we only need to consider one column. You're right. It's height.
Yeah. All right, so we want D grid. All right, let's try that. Oh God, I was sure that was going to be the answer. You're still not there. Alright, I'm gonna debug and show the height here. I wonder if the grid's not properly being resized and one of the NPCs is being booted out of the grid.
Hold on, let me see. So did putting that in the NPC draw event work for you for drawing the thing behind them? I want to see if it's happening in my version.
Wait, but putting them using. Yeah, putting it in the NPC draw event worked. Yes.
All right, let me see here.
All right, let's find a start here. Okay, start. Let's see if we see 7-7 anywhere.
Huh. Let's see. I wish he could move. So it's 1-0-0. Okay, so he's one less than the player. His instance ID is one less than the player. So.
Alright, he does not show up in the grid, so he doesn't get added to the grid. Or he gets overwritten from the grid. So maybe the player is taking his spot, because you're setting var YY equal to 0
So
in the player. So you need to leave var YY not 0. Don't set var YY equal to 0. Take it out.
Oh, after the thing. Yeah. That's probably it. I knew no because it's that shouldn't work actually because I'm doing it with
That worked.
Okay, then I don't know why because like no never mind. I thought I switched back to the old version, but I didn't. I did not do that. I thought I switched back to the
var that should not be 0. Now here's another thing that you may want to well, not for now, but at some point we should flag this to remove that add stuff. Because it's constantly adding things every step, right? Every step is re-adding those
It's constantly
things to the grid.
it's constantly creating a new grid. I actually
not creating a new grid. Right?
It's constantly
it's just overwriting the grid that already exists.
Yes. It's constantly re-updating.
Which it doesn't need to do unless something changes its Y. So I'm just gonna put a fix me in here. Note. This is how I usually mark this stuff that I program poorly to come back to.
You can fix that if you. I'm never going to fix that unless there's some visible slowdown. But if you want to try and fix it,
it'll be an optimization step. Optimization. Fix me optimization. This. The code before the repeat only needs to run once, but runs each step.
So Jeff, if I send you the the stolen backgrounds I have for in the level right now, can you do something with a similar scale and like basically do your?
I thought that was Jeff's stuff. I was gonna say, Jeff, very good work.
No, I stole that. but like basically just if I send you the picture, actually they should be in, once we merge versions, they should be in the data files folder. And if you do something, similar to that in size and just do a bunch of buildings and the main thing is make sure that the ground level, like the dark front part, is like roughly the same and that the composition is roughly the same so it'll fit the map roughly the same, but do the buildings however you want and whatever crazy sci-fi stuff you want basically.
Yeah.
And then once this gets merged I'll send.
Yeah, I'm just undoing all the big changes I made before.
Did you see the version or did you see the movement I put in, Jeff?
No, I haven't looked at it.
Look at my stream. Alright, we can wait till we merge. You can just play it. I constantly break the cardinal rule of like show don't tell as a game designer. Like it's literally impossible for me to watch someone play my game without being like, this is how you're supposed to do it, idiot.
Oh wait, you're fucking Ninja Gaiden now?
Yeah, we have We got some ninja moves. We got a short slide. We got a long slide. I got a fast fall. I got like an air roll thing, and if you hit
You use the actual Ninja Gaiden sprite.
this one isn't, but all the other ones are. The run one actually isn't. It's some guy ripping off Ninja Gaiden, but all the other ones are literally Ninja Gaiden.
I have sprites for most of this stuff.
Yeah, I know. I'll put them in. As soon as, I just don't want to. I just want to merge before we do anything else, so we can get.
It's also nice if you don't have it, still programming it in so that it's just the replacing one variable. I do that sometimes too. Alright, so right now the teleporters are disabled for the NPC. No NPCs will be assigned to them, but they do work. But they just take up too much of the outside. We need to do. We'll need. I don't feel like balancing the line versus the bus versus the who's going upstairs and downstairs right now. That'll be its own thing. Alright. Drawing bug fix.
I cannot overstate how much I love this tablet.
What kind of tablet did you get, Jeff? What did you get?
I got a...
Webcam or something, I bet.
Yes, I got a webcam.
Whatever
A
it
Wacom. One, it's called.
Okay.
I was looking at tablets too, and then I was like, "That's too expensive for me."
So I'm fetching, and then
This was like 400. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
everything's pushed
It is
in
if you.
up to
Or
date
it's not a
and
big
fetched
deal
and
if
all
you,
that.
you know, if you use tablets for your living or draw for a living.
All right, everything is up to date, Marcus. I have no differences between my version and the most recent version on my branch. Now, how do I merge my branch with your branch?
You go. I believe you will go select the branch. Select main, and then at the bottom there should be like choose a branch to merge into main.
Select main, okay, and then at the bottom,
At the drop down where you select a different branch.
Okay,
There will be at the very bottom of that window. There should be a.
Okay,
if you want to
yes.
show me too, or stream in Discord or something, so I can see it. So, can you control Photoshop from like just by looking on the tablet, since that tablet has a screen, Jeff? Or okay, that's the part is probably super worth it. Does it just stream your computer screen to your tablet?
Yeah, it's like it is a screen basically.
Yeah, I saw it had a screen, but I was wondering if that was like, okay, well, is that super useful if I have to look up at my computer every time I want to switch a tool or something?
No, I can just click on them with the
That's
pen.
cool. That's neat.
I need a keyboard. I need hotkeys to.
all I want.
I have the keyboard
There are-
right next to me. It's not.
And
like
there
I'm
are
not
hotkeys,
using
I
it.
think, on some of those tablets, depending on which one you get.
I would
Yeah, but I
literally
need a
be
lot of
the world's
keys.
best game designer if I had a set of like augmented reality glasses that I could just like talk to like Alexa and give my game maker code to, or my engine code to. Like I think about that all the time. Like if I just had glasses that would talk to me.
I have been thinking about smart glasses.
Glasses that will.
I do not think that they're ready yet.
All right, I'm merging, Mark.
I
I'm
think they
ready.
will be cool.
Well, remember, it's not that big a deal
Wearing
because.
glasses, I might as well.
So select the branch you want to merge. So select that bottom one. All right. There'll be conflicts, so we knew that would probably happen. So merge.
4 is less than I expected, though. Honestly.
Yeah. Alright, and now we need to address the conflict. So, let's see how well it works. If you open... Oh, can you click on the conflict? Does that let you click on it? No. Alright. Click open in Visual Studio Code. Though do not use the command line. I do not remember how to use the command line for Git, so I would not feel comfortable. Though I bet you the command line is actually probably better.
Alright, how am I to read this? What am I to read here? Like, what is this? Current change.
So,
oh, I have a
current change, accept incoming change, accept both changes. Compare, hit the compare changes thing. You see that on the in the middle there, above the green. What does that do? Okay.
Oh, I moved this into the initialize player. That's what this is.
And it was on.
It was in the.
Okay, so that doesn't matter because I'm not using the NPC state anyway.
So I want to take the one on the right.
So what I think you can do both. Go to now. How do you get out of this? I don't know.
It doesn't. We don't need to take both though, right? Because I mean, it doesn't matter.
Well,
I guess.
What is that on that? Marketplaces. I don't know. There must be a accept button somewhere, right? Can you maybe just exit out of this? See that tab? Yeah, there's a tab. Go back to Visual Studio. See that tab on the top? Exit out of that tab. There you go. Now hit. Trying to fix movement.
Wouldn't we do it back in the...
Here's an incoming change. What's that incoming change? That blue thing. I don't understand what that is.
This
where
is
it
just
came from?
this is displaying the what is different on the incoming thing, and this, if anything was here, would be showing you what the new thing was, right? So this is all disappearing.
I think if you accept, so I think you either need to accept incoming change or accept both changes, because it's gonna think. I think right now it thinks that my edits are erasing your edits. So we need to make sure that your edits stay in.
My edit is just an erase. That in this case, my edit. Is
because it's in the create code. Yeah. Okay.
So
accept incoming change.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
Right. All right. So that gets rid of it. And then I think you just save that, like literally. Oh, I'm not sure if you go back to GitHub and let's see. I've never had to do this. So. You might just need to save it.
All right.
Alright, and then exit out, I guess, and look at Git and see if it figures that out.
Okay.
Yay! Alright, that's not
cool.
bad at all.
Yeah, that is nice.
Especially with visual, Jesus Christ, Visual Studio Code. It really couldn't get my fucking brain started. Couldn't get my talker started.
Oh boy, what's
this? That's intimidating. This is a server though, so...
This is an image, isn't it?
It probably has to deal with.
This is the room. This is the room. Do you care if I accept my room?
So you could probably just exit out of that and pick one in the drop-down menu on Git.
Can I use
Use
mine?
the one from main, right? We don't want yours.
I think we kind of. Well, it depends if you.
No, I've added some shit in my.
Yeah, so have I. Okay, so we might have to go. Well, so what have you done? What have you done? We'll figure out whose is.
I've added rooms. I've added a new layer.
I've also added a new layer.
Or not rooms. I've added images. I've also added a new layer. I've added sprites. I've added assets.
Okay.
I've added all that shit to get the doors working.
Okay, yours is probably more. We'll keep yours.
What did you add? Just the layer, or
I added a layer for like the background layers of or for like the stuff you would walk behind, like the railing and stuff like that. I added a new background, but that's just. But I also saved it into the data files folder, so I can just pull it out of there. We
could probably. Well, I don't feel like doing
we could
probably figure it out to make them both work. We could probably find those conflicts and resolve them.
I don't know how to read this in Visual Studio though. It's like
I don't either. It's a little bit overwhelming. Maybe not for this time.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll just remake my room changes. Should be fine. So this will merge back onto main, and my branch will remain the same, right? Is how this is working.
I don't remember. It's possible it will.
Either way, both of them are able to be rolled back to at any point, right?
Yeah, you should be able to roll back regardless. You should be able to undo the merge.
Is there anything? So your stuff is critical to some new programming in the room, right? Is what you're telling me? Like,
I would just have to redo a decent amount, which is the issue. I think we both would have to redo a decent amount.
Mine's fine. Mine's fine. It's literally just drawing stuff.
My stuff is supposed to be made. I should have programmed mine to make it so that you literally just have to drop the stuff back on, but it's just I would have to remember I would have to do like 5 to 10 minutes of work. Is all.
So the player input. All right, so
Trying to fix it. All right, so key up. I added something called key up. That's me adding that.
I also added a key up.
So I don't care. Oh, hold on. One of them. I need
both
press.
of the
I needed it to be
exactly
pressed.
the same.
So wait, what?
Because if you're holding it down,
My entire movement system very much
Requires it
depends
being
on
always up?
my key up. No, well, my key up is just so the whole reason I redid the
we can have yours. We'll just change mine to a different button.
because
Mine was just like, oh, you press up to go through the stairwell, but
Oh,
so we'll just make it a different button.
you can still
Key action
you can
or
still
something.
use it. It's just I can still put it in with key up, but mine's a press up on the stick because basically having the movement on the stick.
I'm not talking about. I don't care about the stick. I really care about the pressed part. Like if you are, the problem is you'll warp to the next thing, and then if it's just
Still in that
check, you'll warp
position.
right back down.
Yeah, I mean you could just put a slight cooldown on it, but I get what you're saying. I would want it on a button. I think I would maybe put it on the actual.
Just take
pad.
yours. I'll make it something else.
All right, so. But like literally the whole reason I did the
Now okay, so here, go back to, you gotta go back to, oh no, yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, because those are the only two differences. You don't have to. You can just reject mine and take yours.
Are you sure?
No, what you were doing is right. At first I thought you had to hit the accept buttons here, but I'm realizing no, you can just do it like we did the room.
Alright, so
use the modified file from this, yeah, the one you're on.
alright, and
Right,
then
now this is the actual game file. This one I'm not sure what this is gonna look like either.
I don't know what to do about this one. So this one is
This one might be one where we want to add both of them in.
yeah. This one probably is. So how do we see what all of them are? Where's that thing we had last? Okay, so compare changes.
Compare changes.
Ninja Skid. Hot. Okay, so yours has hot dog cart. Mine has Ninja Skid.
At 106. Because we both added sprites. So this is going to be the hardest one to merge. I think we're going to have to add both of them. But there's no ID number, right? It's just the order that they're in that matters? Oh, order number.
Whatever. This is just one. Is this one thing or several? This is one thing.
This is one sprite from each of us. The hot dog cart I drew.
You can. I mean, it's fine. We can
Take
accept.
that out of the game.
We can accept yours because it's way funnier if whenever you're moving and not like and whenever you're like skidding across the ground, you turn into a hot dog cart. As the
Let's
ninja.
try this real quick though, Chris. Exit out of this. Press escape. Not on the Visual Studio, but on this tab. See what happens when we accept both. I want to see if it just adds both in.
Accept both from the git.
See,
or from...
accept both changes.
Okay.
There's that above the green. I just want to see what happens. You don't have to save it. We'll just see if it adds both of them. So it did add both of them.
But is everything made after that going to be off by one though?
No, I don't think so. Because that order number, I think, is what matters.
I mean, actually, it doesn't matter. I have no objects associated with it because my sprites are just are defined by name in the initialize script.
I think the order. I'm just confused as what the order is. Hit Control F. And search for. So copy that one of the order arguments at the end of any of those strings. And let's just see if we duplicate anything. So do order, change it to 9 is the hot dog cart.
I mean,
Is there
yes.
a second one that's order 9?
Yes, but
there's a couple of them.
But look,
that
there
order
are
9.
several others, even older ones.
Okay, so
that
then
are...
it's not the order is no big deal at all.
Okay.
All right, I'm not worried about this. If we might find worst case scenario, we roll back and reject this change. So save this. Exit out. It should take a second for it to figure out that it's done it. There we go. Commit merge.
Oh, I hope this is nice and easy. If this is nice and easy, I will love Git.
All right, so don't push yet. Open it up.
Remember how you used to do this shit?
Yeah, this is it's already amazing, but even if this is easy, like I set it up wrong last time by trying to set it up through GameMaker, and that left sort of like a bad taste in my mouth of it.
Mike wants to play Dota also.
I will play. Is it really 8 fucking o'clock?
8:42 actually.
What the fuck? It was like 4 o'clock.
Where have I been all day?
30 fucking minutes ago. It was fucking 4 o'clock 30 minutes ago. I'm not even lying.
I'm just passed out. Well, I'll see it if there's a broken reference we can figure
Let's see if I turn into a hot dog cart when a skid. Nope, I'm okay. Everything's fine from my end.
And my hot dog cart is there. Look at that hot dog cart.
Yeah, I see it.
Beautiful.
It's a very beautiful hot dog cart.
Hit up on any of those stairwells or the doors, Chris. Let's see what happens if you teleport right back down. Yep. Okay. Yeah.
So
Whee!
so
Shut. We could put we could just
uh,
attach a button to it.
here.
Like inviting us to Dota, is that what that noise was?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was a successful merge, I would say. I'll play some Dota. Or well, if you guys are willing to wait like 10 minutes, I'll play with you. I gotta do some things. I gotta at least.
Yeah. This was very successful. We are getting more comfortable with it too.
Yeah. Nice.
You can do it. Eventually, you could do it with a command line. I think like twice as fast. But I don't think I'm ever gonna need to do that unless I'm forced to work on a Linux machine.
All the movement code feels the same.
Everything
Yeah.
else seems to be working. My doors and shit are in.
I also
Yeah.
like you can do like if you do the right thing, you can really do like a pretty long knee slide out of your jumps.
Awesome.
Okay,
Yeah,
that
Git
was
is
the
the
door.
greatest
That was
thing
the
ever.
door.
And guess what? Git was like invented, fucking, like when the internet was invented. It was a long time ago. It's around when Linux was created by Mr. Torvalds.
Yeah, I mean, I've never worked on a project with enough people for it to. Also, what is this red block with? What does it have to do with the bus? We should move it like up. Right?
You can get rid of it. It used to be if the player got on the bus, that's where you would teleport to.
Oh, okay.
It was just a way. It was just me demonstrating that. Okay, because the way I'm trying to build all of my stuff is that okay. Once I get all the coding done, you just have to paint it in, and you can build rooms by painting things in the room editor. So I'm trying to build
Michael.
up.
Welcome.
What's that?
Talking to Michael.
Are you off work tomorrow, Mike?
No, I don't work till 2.
How many days straight have you worked, Mike?
I don't know, a bunch. I'm off Sunday though.
It's crazy. I just feel bad for you. You've worked
Yeah.
like a billion weeks in a row. Does anyone watch? Chris says he can play in like 10 minutes. I know he's here and he can speak for himself.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'm just gonna see what time
I'm
I put
acting
the
as
kids
his.
to bed.
Chris says he'll be back, Mike.
I'd rather have Marcus talk for him.
I'm acting as emissary.
You I prefer it.
Mike, did you watch the Dota
No, is it good?
show? I would watch it if it wasn't for it being Dota.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's good. it definitely jumps around. Like it feels like it has a lot of times a focus issue of not knowing where it wants to go, and then suddenly being like, "Oh shit, we have to get here. Let's just jump here."
Well, here's how I thought about it. It perfectly emulates the Dota lore in that it's all nonsense. Nothing's tied together really, just loosely. Like the world does not feel lived in. It does not.
Yeah.
The setting does not feel lived in at all. And the characters were just so boring. They are just.
Characters are very boring. I've
The
not
characters
finished it.
are what they do basically, and that's it.
Dragon Knight is the main character, and he just looks like Berserk. Is that?
Yep.
Yes.
I forgot what
Berserk,
Berserk.
you mean he looks like Guts from Berserk?
That's.
That's his name, then
that's
yes.
that's the
The main
first. Yeah,
person.
that's
The guy
the
from Berserk?
that's the read I got.
comic book?
He looks like if Berserk guy was designed by whoever drew the I don't know.
The animation looks okay, but surprisingly a little framey. Like kind of like
The 3D parts, yeah, I still don't like the 3D.
I mean, that's-
that they do.
not even just the 3D parts. Even some of the 2D.
If you
stuff
mean
looks-
framey, like there are not many frames of
they
animation
don't have
in
frame.
general.
I think it's just because Netflix I think the way it is Netflix says, hey, okay, you have an animation budget. Here it is. It's super low. Demonstrate that you're a success before we give you more money. Because they did the same thing with the Dragon Prince.
Oh, I see what you mean with the 3D.
And
I was
and the
going to
Dragon
say, go ahead.
Prince was like the makers of that were like, yeah, we just didn't have enough money or time to add in the amount of frames that we would need. Essentially,
They should have just made it more anime and like, cause like anime really does embrace like it, you know.
Cheap animation.
Yeah, like there aren't many frames of animation in anime, honestly, except for the action scenes, and even those, like it's
I
like
mean, it already is that. It is anime. It already, is that.
it's just a thing. I think it's just a thing that Netflix does. It's just saying, hey, here's your budget. It's gonna be cheap unless you can demonstrate that you're gonna be a success, or that that you'll be successful. Then we'll give you more money. But as for for now, you just don't have enough. You literally don't have the budget to pay for something that would be 30 frames per second.
Also, Dave, here's a
Whatever,
quick
Jeff,
thing.
would you like to play?
When you import a sprite,
Give me a sec.
like I'll let you watch me go through the process of it if you want, but all your sprites, the reason I don't put them in immediately usually is that I have to always resize them and then go through and make sure the hitbox is the same for all the sprites except for the very top part of the hitbox. I can change that depending on whether you're ducking or whatever, but like for the collision to work right, they have to be the same sprite, they have to have the same origin point, and they have to...
What do you mean they have to be the same sprite?
Oh, sorry.
I think he means the same size.
Same sprite size. Same sprite size, same origin.
Same sprite size.
Well, you don't need to be the same sprite size, Chris. You just need You need the mask to be the same size.
No,
Which is
they
done on Mac.
they actually need to be the same size, or you need to do the calculation of where the origin.
Is gonna be for the new one, yeah.
Yeah, where the origin will be in relation to the. But like it is just easiest if they are all the same size.
They're all like 128 by 128.
Not the crawl. The crawl is like 52 by.
Oh well,
50
yeah.
or something.
The crawl is smaller, so.
But yeah. Then just go in and make sure that the hitbox is the same as all the other hitbox, dimensions, and the origin is the same. The origin's easy. I think it's like 50, 100 or something like that. And I tried to pick round numbers for the edges of the hitbox too. The top of the hitbox can be changed, but no, every other, edge has to be the same. Someone stream your Dota. Actually, Mike, do it. Mike's
He
stream is...
does look like the Berserk guy.
Yeah, right? Or whatever, Marcus is already doing it.
It's super telling to me.
But Mike's got a
that
smooth
Netflix does not have like the Dota anime on their top. Like, here's what's new. But Dota has it everywhere, or Valve has it everywhere.
Well, this is just one thing for them, for
Yeah.
Netflix. They have so many originals now.
Is Jakiro in it?
Squirrel does not show up.
Oh!
What? Do we not
It
be
is a
talking
little weird
about
that Jakiro's
Jakiro?
not in it, isn't it? Since the whole thing's about fucking dragons.
Yeah, he's got the most heads of any dragon. He should be on the fucking cover. I wouldn't mind playing some Dota though. Dota.
He'll get you in the mood to
I'm so bummed.
watch this anime.
I wanted to get a new computer also to play Siege again. Half the reason I don't like playing Siege is because my computer won't stream it for whatever reason. Like, it just sucks at streaming Siege.
My the story also seems to be basically that Terrorblade is the dude from Avengers, the bad guy, Thanos. That's what it sounds like.
No, he's like twice as dangerous because he wants to destroy the whole world.
Yeah, he wants to like remake it in his image using things that are so crazy close to being Infinity Gems or whatever they call them in Avengers.
Infinity.
We're waiting for you, Marcus.
Alright, let's put Guess the Animal. Ready?
Alright, I'm ready.
That's
That was a Jeff.
that was a wild turkey.
Well, Jeff was. Guess the animal. Well, it'll get harder, I assume.
Lion.
I literally only hear yeah, like those were not two different sounds to me.
There's only one sound I'm gonna.
It's the
Lion again.
Same sound.
No.
Tiger.
Yeah!
Tiger again.
Tiger playing the trumpet.
Gorilla.
No.
Bear.
Yeah.
Bear.
That's a gorilla.
Yeah.
Monkey.
Yes.
Fart.
Ooh.
Fart noise. The
I can
butthole.
barely hear those.
The butthole. That's.
Is it flat for everybody? Should I turn it up?
Okay. Hippopotamus.
Kinda. Close.
Rhinoceros.
Yeah. Glad that you got that. Close
I think it was
to
one of those.
hippopotamus.
Yeah, they're
Right out.
like similar animals.
They got the same
same.
skin.
Yeah, same general size, I think.
They look like they're cousins.
Yeah. Rhinoceros has got the cool end of the stick, though.
Not like species like how they say
That's the
species are
Morocosaurus
cousins. I mean
Rex.
like actual cousins.
That's the Morocosaurus Mex.
Isn't the T-Rex from Mexico? Central America?
A bird or some kind of monkey. I don't know.
No bird.
A monkey.
Not a monkey.
Play it again. A bat.
Bat.
Dota is on the new release thing for me.
You may just not watch enough anime, Dave, or whoever said it wasn't in theirs.
Yeah, I do watch a ton of anime.
That's what I mean. It's
That's
showing up for
why.
you. It makes sense for you. Snake.
That's fucking snake.
No. This is the snake. Oops.
That cat then?
Not a cat.
It's something that's hissing. It's hissing. It's either a snake or a cat.
No.
Raccoon.
It's closer to a snake.
A raccoon. A lizard.
Mongoose. Ferret.
closer to a lizard than a snake.
Salamander.
Gila monster.
Is making that sound.
Probably the same amount.
Turtle.
Komodo
Komodo
dragon.
dragon.
Komodo dragon is closer, but it's not the
Gila
Komodo dragon.
monster.
More
Iguana,
common.
chameleon, iguana, gecko,
Those lizards that
Komodo
bleed out.
dragon.
alligator.
Alligator, there you go. Try to find hard ones. Alright, there's obviously a bird. What bird is it?
A hawk.
Yes. It's clearly a, who was that guy? What's that thing? What was the
Capuchin?
Clearly a pigeon.
Oh wait, are you
Yeah, that
doing
how that ate the candy. Oh wow.
Alright, here we go again.
Your turn to battle.
Alright, who don't want to play against? It's probably still Juggernaut. I'm gonna go out again. I think I can make him work.
I'd try your
5
shaker
seconds
again.
remaining.
This time you can have your mid-leg.
I'll allow it.
I typed in SQ
Yeah.
for squirrel and it put hoodwink on there.
Hmm.
That's funny.
They definitely have keywords that go with things.
I feel like hoodwink. This character should be designed like a in prison stripes.
Your turn to pick.
So Chris, if you have a thing where you shoot a walnut
He
at
looks
people,
like Guts and
it's
has
like,
a helmet like Griffith.
it bounces like Witch Doctor stun, but if you shoot it at the ground instead, it'll make a tree there. And then if you shoot your second ability at the tree, it'll latch everybody on and does a really good stun and a really
Oh, techies, Mike, your fave.
I make trees and
I
do
don't
what
know.
now?
So, shooting your first ability will, if you just shoot it at a person, it gets an extra bounce, and it bounces back and forth like Witch Doctor stun, like the bomb goes.
Yeah, I saw that.
Um,
I'm using that. Yeah. Okay.
If you shoot it at the ground, though, it'll make a tree first, and then it will still bounce to everybody.
You gotta reset your thing,
Yeah,
Mike.
you're crackling again, but it'll make a.
Hold on, let me just reset.
Too many
So-
animal noises.
Should I go top or bottom?
Is this better?
Not popped
top.
yet.
Am I free
Top,
of
Jeff.
crackle? Alright, let me know if it comes back, and I'll rejoin Discord. So if you shoot your acorn at the ground, it'll still bounce, but you lose a bounce for shooting at the ground. But you can then shoot your second ability at it, and your second ability, if it hits a tree and hits a person, it'll latch them to the tree and do a ton of damage and stun them.
Okay, and the second
So,
one
so
bounces.
the combo is usually you throw out your first ability, you hit them, you throw out your first ability and then immediately throw your second ability at it too,
For battle.
so that because when it creates that tree, you're gonna try to latch them to the same tree that you create. It's like a 1-2 punch kind of thing, and the timing of it usually works that if you're confident about that tree, where that tree placement is, just throw the other one ability pretty much right away, without even waiting to see for
So-
the tree to land.
Bushwhack on its own is basically like what do you call it? Witch Doctor thing where you said
Oh
right?
no, we're about to get
No,
dumpstered.
bushwhack is a stun. If you hit a tree, if that's that area that you lay down, if you click it, you'll see a circle. If you throw that and that's on a tree, and you hit a hero with it, it'll latch the hero to the tree that you're
You
surrounding.
fucking stink.
And it increases the stun damage and does way more, or the stun duration and does way more damage.
No worries.
It's super useful for sure.
Yeah.
Ugh.
I'm keen.
Jeff, I'll not go in there. Just try to be bait over here. Oh, run, Jeff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to sneak and get their thing.
Oh,
You
give me a
just
second
if you
word
can
here.
get.
For the record,
The
I
battle
did hit
begins.
Letter ready. I don't know the rules, but I'll go along.
Well, I did a good amount of damage to Queen of Pain. Someone get this?
Chris, you get that one up there?
Yep.
Took a lot of fucking hits to the face with arrows during that.
Nobody was standing near a tree in the river,
Okay.
unfortunately, so I don't know why they had me get this first.
It is a stun.
Yeah, I see it. Got any scrog?
Got any scrog, Dave?
Fucking yeah, get him. Fucking beat the crap out of him, Jeff.
So I'm just gonna harass the shit out of whoever, right?
How you like my rig?
Yeah, just shoot them constantly.
Who said you could stroll in my
Nice
woods?
long attack range too. I like that. So I move quick when I'm near trees.
Stay on my trail.
If you have your third ability.
If you have your third ability.
Enough yakking.
We're able to have solar eclipses because the
It's
sun
all on the way.
is actually the right distance from the moon.
When's the murder start?
The sun makes up more than 99% of the solar system.
What's over here? Think so.
Who's reciting solar system facts over here? Marcus?
No, I'm not saying that's not me. That's all you.
Hey, you! Now
Now what? I did it.
This Jeff.
Hmm?
What do I do after that, Dave?
I don't know.
Whenever he
I
uses
never
that
played
that call down ability, we're gonna want to try to deny the creep that the range creep because it usually wounds it to
Need
a
a
degree
pull.
that it's killable.
Mm-hmm.
do the right way.
Oh, the second ability, first ability. So you said second, then first, right, Marcus?
Alright, so why get back here, Jeff? You're in the call down,
Hey,
but when they try to kill this
I
creep
keep forgetting that he's not on our team this time.
now. No. Yeah, it's easy, or it does damage so slow over time that it's easy to forget.
Marcus,
How
you said
much
my
damage
second
it
ability,
actually
then my first, or my first, then my
fuck.
second?
First, then your second. You want to use your first, but and use it to plant a tree, and then shoot your second ability right at it at the same time.
Okay.
my tails are sails.
Shit. Nope. That's not.
No, this way. Now to kill some birds. Guess what comes next?
I did it, but we
You
don't
are
have to
the
go in on
poison,
that. I just
though,
wanted to
right?
see it would work.
Careful, Jeff. The techies probably gonna have everything lined up.
I hate the tree you made.
That's okay. I don't.
I wonder if that
I
should
didn't
be
love that
bonus.
tree.
Pause a peddling. Who we fighting?
Don't let him go under the tower, Chris. No, come here.
Time to kill something?
God, has it really only been 3 minutes? I feel like it's time for.
One of Saturn's moons is walnut shaped because it's absorbed some of Saturn.
Not yet. One in the groove. No, that way.
Largest asteroid in the solar system is 320
Get back, Jeff.
miles.
Yeah. But we critter now. Did you see a branch move? That's the one.
Planets in the solar system could fit between Earth.
I don't know where
Yeah, where are they?
she is. Yeah. There she is.
What? This way?
Do you have a? Oh fuck!
Look at this.
Damn, I didn't realize how much damage that did.
Oh,
Level 1.
shit.
I only see a crazy.
Just keep going, Jeff. Keep running.
Uh-huh.
I think he'll die. Nope, he won't die.
Always a step ahead.
Your top tower.
Beating mid's ass. That's good.
We'll be fine here. Like I'll catch up. I'm getting my farm anyway, or getting farm just by.
I'm not
I just died.
certain
so
how
it
this
won't-
lane is going. Bad?
Oh well, she's not farming, so that's good. I'm farming, she's not touching it.
I'm bored.
Yeah.
Boring land.
Well, go punch him in the face.
Hold
Go
on.
trade. Go trade with him.
Hold on, I'm gonna get this thing and then I'll go fuck.
Jeff, really harass this guy over here.
Illusion.
No worries.
Like, try to get on him. Really throw your fire, everything you got on him.
Bounty? Did you see a Bridgman?
Watch out for that though. That'll kill you.
Guess it's my shout. That's the one.
Oh shit! 5 minutes are up. Let's hope you didn't get it.
I'll fix it. Incoming. No, this way. Just follow my trail. Just follow my tail. Yeah. Probably the right way. Are you gonna be a problem?
I can kill this guy.
Ah, damn.
Nice try.
I had no idea.
Damn,
You
Jeff.
told me.
Oh, fuck.
I didn't
I'm an
think I was
idiot.
gonna go
Second
on him,
earlier,
and
I
then I
could've
was
gotten
like,
it
well,
off.
I gotta get back. I'm pretty
I
hurt.
didn't know it was so low. Yeah, just go roam the jungle for, cause she's not in like. Go see if you could like mess her up, find her and fight with her.
Now
Thank you, Jeff. No! Oh, he fucking took it off of me.
Oh, Kirk, you're still at.
I'm
I
keen.
can see it.
Radiant's
Nice.
turret has been killed.
Once I get level 6, my health won't be an issue.
Oh, nice.
Shit. Other move I meant to do.
Hey, you want to see something really cool? I'm on it.
I'm destroying this quap.
Brendan time.
He doesn't seem good.
I don't know what my third move does. Okay, I ran away.
All on the way.
Okay, this is a decent mobility move. Much better than I pictured when you said running fast in the trees.
Careful, Jeff, careful.
You get evasion, I think, passively too if you're near trees. You don't have to use your ability. Like whenever you're near trees.
Yeah, this girl. I like this girl. I don't usually like the bow and arrow people. Like the Wind Rangers of the world.
Her ult's weird as hell.
She's
I'm
weird.
gonna stay a little bit back, Jeff, so
Tree
feel free
thing is
to
fucking bizarre, but whatever.
get some last hits if you want.
This way.
Oh, Quap's here, run.
Wicked. Him.
Fuck.
Alright, she's been jungling so much I didn't.
We're good. Holy shit,
Wow.
thanks, Chris.
Not yet.
I'm getting so much here. This is good. Level 8 already.
Structures are fortified.
I've had literally a free lane.
What kind of boots are you getting, Chris? I would love for you to get some mana
Mana
boots.
boots.
Thank God.
Next thing.
Good.
Who we fighting?
I
Any
guess
lane
do that,
killable.
but-
I try to keep farming.
Top probably is.
Headland.
I think
the
either
techniques,
lane.
but it's a
yeah.
little dangerous actually.
We've almost killed him a few times on our own.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'd rather,
Techies,
like,
I
catch
forgot
me, yeah.
Techies makes it really dangerous.
Alright, I'm coming, dude. I'm gonna TP so they don't expect it. And I'll kill Quap too.
Oh, she's coming.
Me.
You ready? PA, preferably.
Go.
Always.
Assassin.
Wink.
Nice, Jeff. That was a great stun.
Doing really well.
Right on.
Right here, him.
That was
He
a
might
good
get out by
start.
using.
Made me
Yeah,
happy.
he cut through. Alright, we're good. We're fine.
We got their mid and their safe lane there. That was really good.
Here, I'll give you this mana thing.
Oh, thank you.
No, this way.
Oh, damn it. He burned it off somehow. Sorry, Jeff. I'm wasting all your.
Bounty's in like 50
We're
seconds.
fine, we're fine. Just let them do their thing. Don't go too crazy.
Come on, Chris. Let me. Well, whatever.
Once I get my 6, we can kill.
You know.
Speaking of.
Bounty's in 30. Quap's mid again.
My finger got
Ready, Jeff?
How did that not get him? I do need mana boots so bad.
It's all on the way.
Fine for now.
Oh,
Bounty's in 15.
We're
Okay,
fine.
get bounties, Chris. Oh.
Save me this one, Chris. Save me that one right there.
Back one or front one?
Back one, the back one. That one saved me.
They're coming for you, Chris.
How about a warm fuzzy?
Did I not get it?
You got it, you got it.
It says you got it.
Connect it first.
Precious bunk.
Your middle
Yeah,
tower
keep getting
is
those
under
bounties,
attack.
please.
Oh, there's bombs in here, Chris, so we gotta
Yeah.
worry about that
I
now.
will get blue wards. Let me get my mana boots and then I'll start buying blue wards.
Who we fighting?
Got that one.
I can TP bottom soon.
This way.
Pop didn't get it. Okay, she's
Stop,
She's
stop,
up here.
stop.
Queen of Pain's up here.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
I think so.
Coming.
I'm also
I'm
coming.
not gonna come if Dave is. I'm gonna take tower.
Swirly.
I don't wanna all show up there.
I survived,
Mister.
thank you.
I have no mana actually. This is a poor.
She
defense.
ulted on me.
Might need to get
It's fine, we kept
Just follow my
them from diving Marcus.
Yep, and I got the tower.
Oh, I do have some mana.
And I can defend bottom pretty easy.
Oh no!
I don't think he has
Actually-
anything. He's just placing them poorly.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I'm coming, I'm walking back bottom, Mike, if
I have no mana at the
she's in
bottom.
here, Windrunner's in there.
Alright, thanks.
I'm always on the right.
I'm almost there though.
I have enough for one Q or an ult.
What does my ult do again?
It's a big charge up, and you can turn very, very slowly while you're doing it, and it just shoots out a giant laser that...
There'll be a giant timer over your head that lets you know how much you have left.
Like Phoenix.
Yeah, the turn rate kind of like that.
Yes, yeah. Precisely. Oh shit. Nice!
Wow, how greedy of her.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Where's the murder star?
I can leave here in 13 seconds. I don't know why I'm up here.
Ripper.
Your middle
Wind Ranger's there. Get back, guys.
Well, give me this rune bottom.
Alright, I'm leaving in a second here.
Your middle tower is under
Damn.
attack.
Looks like this is goodbye.
Alright, almost mana boots.
I'm going MKB now. I'm just nipping it in the bud. Gonna need it.
Oh, Wind
Marcus
Ranger.
dead.
Just follow
Yeah,
me.
I'm dead. Probably.
Oh, you have acid.
Not yet.
Not that it's gonna save you, but
Just letting you know.
wow, how are you alive?
Should I come
My
up? Should we
regen's
come up?
insane. I know, I'm gonna live. Who cares? She wasted so much time doing that.
I'm coming, let's turn. Well, you don't have to come, but Jeff, come.
I can't turn. I have nothing
Yeah.
after that.
That's the one.
Oh, he is dead.
Careful, Chris. You're gonna.
Oh, he has mech. Damn, maybe not.
Wicked.
Got
Did
him.
you get him? Nice, Mike. Fucking awesome. They must be so pissed after that.
Yeah, that'd be frustrating.
Yep.
He has mech, by the way. I don't know if you knew that or
Your
not.
middle tower is under attack.
Nah.
He has a hard kill. Wait, the hard kill.
What's her face is down here? Quap is down here now.
You smell something?
Your middle tower is under attack.
Techie's is mining like around here. Just so you guys know.
Jeff, come take this. I'm gonna give it to you.
Avoid that area at all costs.
Come here.
Let me kill one guy, Dave, so I can buy my thing.
You don't want Quap? Nah, I don't have an ult for 20, never mind.
Alright, mana
Wait
boots
till I get that.
are here.
Once my ult's up though, I'm ready to
Your
kill bottom.
bottom tower is under attack.
See my point?
Alright, I'm walking 15 seconds with my ult. I need your stun though for you're low, Dave, I'll wait.
Your bottom tower.
I'm
know
fine.
what you want.
I have a full stick. I can go.
I have a TP, let me know when they're in a good spot to kill.
Yeah, I throw some shade. Always a step ahead.
Give me a good rune here, that'll make it easy.
$1,000.
Give me an invis. Double damage, eh?
She hurt.
You wanna kill? I'm coming. I'm walking.
Jeff, fuck, I'm dead.
I'm like
If you're
out of
stunned.
mana. I can't help a lot.
I'm coming, I'm gonna
I'm
kill.
alive. I'm gonna live again.
Oh, Mike's going top.
Should I come? Should I
Coming.
come? I'm coming. Looks like a fight's happening. I want to be there.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I'm not gonna, okay, yeah,
Fuck
thank
you.
I didn't try, I was giving it to you, you jerk.
no, I was talking to him.
I thought you were saying like, fuck you, it's my kill.
I killed Quap.
Here,
They
come
went
get,
on me.
come
They
get
did two
mana.
on me, but I fucking killed one of them.
Nice.
Nice.
I'm gonna go middle Mike and take that.
Yep. Yeah, I'm not farming anymore. I'm just trying to kill now. And jungle in between.
Just follow my tail.
I almost got both of them, but
Bounties, bounties, bounties. I'm getting this one.
Headland.
I'll get the ones in our woods.
We can kill Chris if someone tries to show up here.
careful with bounties with techies.
You want to try and go for the back
Yeah,
ones?
we should get some.
Nah, that's a bit
There's
too much for
one.
me. Oh, look at this kid.
Coming.
It's too late. He's back. He's hard to kill, Underlord. He's tanky.
I'm coming.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, they're...
I got him so low.
Well, want to see something new in blood trails?
Does the tree that you make also shoot out a little acorn from it?
Got any scrub?
Yes, yes. It just making the tree just lowers the number of bounces you have.
Time to kill something?
Like perfect world, you can use on heroes, but if you want to get your stuns and stuff off, you can use it on the
You couldn't stop me.
ground.
Yeah.
Who needs mana? Come near me.
Oh, want to kill PA bottom somebody?
Use it, Chris. Go ahead.
Marcus has come. Oh, he's not getting a little bit of help.
I have no mana. I have no
I'm gonna start Spirit cleaning it up.
Here's the murder star.
God, this is a bad idea. There's two of them.
Mm,
I didn't bounce off that. No.
Live.
I didn't realize.
Where is
we
she?
were going for the tower.
Yeah,
That's
right
the
left.
one.
Just get out. Just get out. Fuck. I tried to bounce off that rock and I missed completely. Oh well. Get her out of the lane for a while.
I almost got blink and all.
Scumbags.
Hi, puppy.
He'll do stuff.
Yeah.
Not yet. Sweet ass. Yeah.
Your top tower is under attack.
Hey, I started those. Get away from them. Rah, 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 rah.
Uh-huh. Come quick, and get out of there. We can respawn. No, no.
Do the right way.
Yeah, I fucked it up. I'm not fast enough.
I'm keen.
You can kill top Mike for sure.
I have no mana. I have to go home.
Yeah, I have mana for you. Come here.
I wouldn't have cared if I hadn't
Well, that's
started
not
that
a
when
lot
you asked
of
me
you.
to come down to kill
Oh.
PA.
No worries.
I'd like started it, got him a decent amount down, and then had to leave.
Sweet ass. I should get heaps of these.
I almost have NKB already. I got pretty good farm. Let's push top tower. Whoever's up there. We can, if they want to fight, I'll
Fill
kill.
in the groove.
Your bottom tower.
Ooh, I'm walking. I'm slow. Oh no. Even though.
I did not. I thought people were gonna be there or were
Yeah.
be more primed in position to go.
Yeah, I was heading there, but
What's a warning shot?
I have blink now though.
I'm feeling.
keen optic, Chris. That's probably good for you or Jeff.
Just follow my trail.
Do you want it, Jeff? It's up to you.
It's all on the way.
What the top? I'll
Keen
take-
optic makes you. Oh yeah.
Fast range.
I totally forgot to get any. Yeah, it's attack range. You can take it if you want.
No, cast range on
Or
it.
cast range, yes.
Good for
Alright,
you.
what are we doing? I don't want to
I'm ready
TP
to push
somewhere and
top.
have everyone just go somewhere
Ready to
else.
push
So top,
Here, I'll get it. If you want it, I'll give it to you.
going top.
Follow my trail.
Anybody want the essence ring?
I have blink and everything.
I
I'd
know.
take it.
Trail.
Nope. Dick.
Sorry.
Your middle
It was landing on the ground. I just wanted to get rid of it.
Oh, I'm calling Mike.
You go. Oh boy, yeah, go hurry.
Stick that and knock your nugget.
Woo. Come here, bitch. Kaboom! Traffic. Heavy traffic in the area. Mine there.
Hit it, Chris. Don't get hit by it. Nope.
Oh shit.
When you hear that noise and you hear boring, that means it's a mine. Somewhere in your range. Good fight.
Better not catch him littering, bro. Illusion. No worries.
Your bottom tower
Ow.
is under attack.
It's all
I can't really push right now. I'm too low. I'm going home to heal.
Dire structures are fortified.
This is about all I need to get started. That's the one.
MKB is on my person now.
Did you see a branch move?
Heading bottom, Marcus. I think we can catch PA.
Aether lens next? I don't know.
Yeah, it's a great item one. I think. Actually, I don't play Squirrel. Okay, you're not there.
Trails?
I'm not there for a while, Marcus. So don't
That's
get
fine.
too
I'm
eager.
just making her scared.
Yeah, just making sure you know. Don't get too excited.
Ripper.
All right, you ready?
Just
I'm
wait,
going.
Tail.
I'm gonna throw my things on her.
Your top tower is under attack.
Nice.
Can we come top?
I can.
Again in
Okay.
20 seconds, not yet.
Sure this is
I'm
Your
coming now.
top tower is under attack.
Go ahead, Dave. Start.
Shit, I fucked up.
Can't get him.
No, I
though.
didn't. No, I
It's
didn't.
under attack.
I kinda did.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, his
We got
fucking
bottom
thing
tower out of
completely took me out of the area.
Radiant
Oh,
structures.
she's in this.
This way. Unplugged.
Nice.
Oh, hit her!
I can take
Why am I not hitting her? Jesus Christ, my guy took the fucking long way around.
Well, I have to shoot this thing now. Okay. I had no idea how long that would take.
Can we kill this worm?
You can shoot it off
slug?
early if you want, Chris. The longer you hold it, the more damage it does. But I think there are colors to it. Each color is a tier of damage. So you don't have to like. There is a like maximum. Get him. Ah, fuck! I'm dead.
Coming
No, you're
up.
not. I'm not dead. He's dead. Nice stun, Chris. Good job.
PA cannot come. She TP'd bottom, so. And I'm here. We can get more.
I can just fucking tank that tower. I keep forgetting how much my regen really is.
I'm very hurt. I need to get to the store. Oh, we're near a bomb.
Oh! Well, I ate a whole bunch of the green ones and I'm alive. Holy shit.
Oh!
Mike, that's like a bad yearbook
Radiant
quote.
structures.
I ate a whole bunch of the green ones and I'm alive, so.
Yeah, they was like sick. I forgot they had a techie. He's been so
Yeah.
uneventful.
10 seconds till my ult's up. Get back a little bit.
I see it.
I just want to go shopping
ult
real
is up.
quick.
Dave has blink too.
I'm dead for 30.
I'm ready. Let's fucking fight.
Now I'm
They're all pretty grouped if you can get in there. Nice, dude. Focus that quad.
Oh, she's stunned.
Nice, Jeff. Good idea. Nice.
Yes. Watch out, Dave. You have her
I'm
thing on
basically
you.
out.
This is all clear of mines. I cleared all the ones in here. Strategically.
Your bottom
Come
tower
on.
is under attack.
That's what he said.
Your bottom
Oh, Jeff.
I
no.
may die though.
Here, take this.
Thank you.
Your bottom tower is
This is
under
Tome and
attack.
base. I'm coming top. Fuck bottom tower.
They denied
Fight.
it.
I'm here. I'm here. Let's fight. Let's fight. I have an ult. I can bottle you guys. Jeff
Solo.
and Dave.
I'm solo.
No, they
Hang
see
up out of
me.
you, Jeff,
Can you
come
guys
here.
do a sentry?
I mean, my mana is low.
I have a sentry. I'm
Help, help,
coming.
help. I don't have my regen right now. Oh my god, there's so many fucking stuns.
Like he's gonna suicide.
Oh! Marcus, you coward, you couldn't kill her in time to save my life.
Techie suicide and fucking silenced me too. I'm coming still though.
stay in the trees.
I can't. Yeah.
You couldn't stop me. I'm king.
God, I fucking hate this techies. I need a BKB again.
I'm keen. Any of you creeps got something better?
Okay.
Can we?
I'm just gonna push bottom.
In your thing, Chris, start your thing.
Yep, I tried.
No, you're done.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I
Sorry.
don't know how that works. I just
That'll
started.
like take her. That'll like take her to they'll kill her.
Always a secret.
Easy.
Yeah, your ult, Chris, is insanely strong. Like the damage that output from that ult, if you hit it at full power,
Okay.
I think at
Double
3 or
damage
4
here,
seconds.
double
So
when
just
you're full
aim
power.
it at her. That's it.
Double damage.
Yeah, you right click to change your angle. You should see it on the map, or not on the map, on the screen. Though.
I'm coming for that TP.
I'm going top.
You couldn't stop me.
Like, yeah, keeps coming to farm. I can fuck her, keep fucking her up, but I can't finish her off.
That's the one.
Alright, let's chill out. We got
I'm
more
always on the right
updates
trail.
taking.
What the pathing in this game is ridiculous. At times.
Ripper,
Double damage.
you smell something?
Just having a dragon fight over there. It's awkward.
Uh-huh.
Bounties.
Listen.
Alright, I will go for the easy one.
A little something extra.
Oh, somebody already got it. Mike got it.
It's all on the way.
Here, dude.
They were coming for it. I don't know where any of the rest of them are though. There's one.
Precious bounty.
One ranger.
I'll lead the way.
Oh, Andy. Come, we can kill both.
TPing.
Drinking time.
He's so fast. She's doing
I'm
around
gonna,
Rosie.
I'm gonna push mid if you guys want to keep that fight going.
He is right here. He was, what the fuck? He
Where
launched
did
down.
you go?
Down in Vince.
God damn it.
It's how I live.
You guys ready to? Oh, you guys are.
Yeah.
Here. One ranger.
I'm coming in through here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Found him.
Who's the murder stuff? It's what I do. Pause the pedal.
That's a good kill.
Got any
I have
squad?
Vipe near now, more lockdown. Oh, that's a good item. I bought it last game to try it. It's fucking crazy how good it is.
Yeah, that group stun is
There
amazing.
she is.
Yep,
Or
let's go.
thing.
Go,
I'm
go, go.
pushing the wave right now. I don't have my ult, so I'm not
Ah, she's
No worries.
I need my
linked to
bash.
someone. There's also bombs around here somewhere. Is
We should get a gem soon. I can hold it. I've only died once, actually. I was by it.
she's going back?
Yeah, I know. She's so greedy.
Can't find the branch. Here's a
Greedy bitch.
I'm
We kept
gonna
going
push out
back.
here.
We kept going on her. She kept fucking showing.
this one.
Yeah, I have an ult if they want to go on you more.
Not here.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Ah,
Radiant
I'm forward too late.
structures are
I'm
fortified.
pushing top back in here. You got you.
Your top tower is under attack.
Let's grab this thing before we leave.
The enemy's
Yeah.
bottom tower has fallen.
Uh-huh. I don't want it. They should have giving it. Who we fighting?
I found a techies. Ha ha ha.
Run, buddy, run!
He's gonna suicide. I'm fine with that.
Yeah, I see it.
Welcome to the secret shop.
Bob's here.
I'm walking up from behind.
TP
like-
up.
You can stun it, then I'll go. But go ahead.
Read it
One
right.
second, hold on.
Ah,
It was on cooldown. I just
scared him.
Your top
I
tower
probably
has been
scared him.
denied.
Yeah, she saw that TP coming in.
I thought
Alright.
Dave was gonna.
Yeah, I didn't know it was on cooldown.
I had to wait like 2 seconds.
Let's take towers. Wait for me, Marcus. I have gem. Wait for me.
I've already walked through here.
How about a shortcut?
Alright.
I did get the deny on the tower though.
Illusion.
Wicked.
Ow!
Anytime I illusion with the gem around the scout, go boys.
I'm keen.
No, we're finding them. We don't need the gem.
The other side. Cock thick. Push.
Let
They got
me
it.
illusion go first. Let me
We got
illusion
it back. Let's go get this real quick.
go. Alright, they don't have any.
Watch it. Anyone know where we're going?
I got my ult. Or my BKB. I'm gonna use it.
Good, you guys are.
Shit, they got me.
I have to get out. I'm really low. I'm an idiot. I took too much tower hit.
I gotta get back to them.
I was hiding in the woods and they found me. Just
Unless you want to go on PM, Marcus, I'll turn for that.
I'm waiting
You.
for my ult. Hold on a second. We got our fucking agents
Yeah, I
here!
should have.
Got her stunned.
Somewhat forgot, yeah. I could do that. I didn't necessarily want to go all the way in though.
No, save me, save me!
Oh,
I got chocolate! Oh, Dave! You're my hero!
This guy here.
Oh, Dave, you're a god! I'm here now, Marcus. Dave motivated me.
Guess I don't need to worry about the afterlife just yet.
No, you don't. You ain't bringing her with you, bitch. And with us. Behind us, techies.
Here.
Starting to feel
Here, here.
Send him, Jeff, send him.
Here.
Nice. Oh, no!
oh no, I missed.
Yes, Dave.
It was a little bit behind.
Son of a bitch.
It's all on the way.
I still have not gotten to use my ult. I just don't know.
Uh-huh.
I have to go home. I have no
The
anything.
nervous start. Dip this way.
I shot us from bottom and get the brownies. I'm sure no one's in bottom. I need your team. Man, what a weird game.
Uh-huh.
I thought we have so many kills. We only have 18.
Just follow my tail.
I feel like we're killing the shit out of them.
Well, I mean, in comparison, they have
Nice
a lot more.
grab, Chris. That's good.
Pick a lap.
Look at that. Here's Dave could probably stun him again.
How do I fire my ult?
Second off.
Oh, just hit him. Okay.
Scurry.
Careful, I'm not there. Bottom. Top, whatever.
This way.
We're lucky that the Technies is very bad.
Yeah, he's not putting his mines down. I don't know what
He's
he's
not.
doing.
Well, he's putting them down. He's just putting them down everywhere, and he's grouping them too, or not grouping them.
Yeah.
So like everyone just get heals up through it.
Here.
Yeah.
Dire structures are fortified.
There's another tome, Jeff, if you want it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You guys want to fight here?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Where are we fighting?
Middle.
Okay.
I'm from down here, Marcus. I'll
I gotta
provide
do
them
some
locally.
shopping.
Ah, they see me.
Always a step ahead. Tail, train.
Nice job, Chris. That's exactly what
I
you
got,
wanted to
I
do.
got killed
Except for the
though.
dying part, but that's not your fault.
Look at these two.
Like just fucking bouncing back and forth. The bounce party.
I might die though, yeah. Jump.
I can't pick it up. My ult's almost up again. I don't think they can kill me with their ult, with my ult up. Give it a couple of seconds.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, he's getting somewhat strong. He has a pistol.
Dave, where you at? When her BKB comes down, I'm gonna turn.
Yeah,
Ready?
Dave has BKB. I mean, Dave. Wow, Marcus has BKB. You should Ghost Scepter, Dave.
Jesus, she nearly killed me.
Wait. You ever feel
Everyone not named Marcus should get Ghost Scepter this game. This PA.
Trying to keep her stunned. I'm almost dead
Oh,
over
you
there.
try.
BKB, Marcus.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it next.
always
Shit, I fucked up. I did the wrong order.
That's okay.
I need. Give me that.
Could have done something.
She's cool though, right? She's an
Yeah.
awesome. She's fun.
Yeah, the mobility is a lot better than people said it was. When I thought it was like, oh, you just walk faster in the woods, and it is that, but like it's,
When you
Oxygen.
use it, when you activate it, it's
you,
nice.
yeah, you feel it. It's not just like
in the groove.
And it has the active. You're using that, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Now you tell.
There is a way to set something that just cast off cooldown, right? Though.
No, you
No.
don't want to do it with that though. There is, but not on that ability anyway. Probably not on that ability.
Want to smoke for kills? I feel like we should do something then Roche.
Now get to it. Just keeping it
I'm
loose.
coming towards you guys, but I'm
What? This
a
way.
little ways away
Smoke pit, I'll
still.
tell him then we can smoke here. Get that haste, Marcus, too. And then walk right here. Come up here, Chris.
Hold on.
That's the
Okay.
one.
Alright, lead, Marcus, lead.
Pause a peddling.
You have Abyssal, and you can start with that.
Any blood trails?
I guess go here. Yeah,
They're in their triangle, probably, right?
yeah. Meet him there.
Drinking time. I'll lead
They
the
must
way.
be hiding. They must have seen.
Roshan.
Oh, we can fight. I think we can
Still
fight.
kill. Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, I am not scared of them. Look at this. I'm damaged already. Wow. They just lined up for all our shit. That was awesome. Don't let her BKB even.
There's a ward there.
Oh, that was a fucking beatdown.
That was amazing for me. Holy shit! They just went down this
They were in a
long
straight
tube.
line.
They had no
Long
vision
tube.
of the path, so they couldn't see us fucking
Push,
coming.
push. Mid. I have a gem.
I'm grabbing my thing.
Yeah,
Her ult too actually feels pretty good.
Her ult is really nice. You can really kill someone. Like you can kill carries from.
There's
pretty
not
far
much.
away.
There's not actually much of a skill shot component to it, but it feels like there is.
I would say there's skill shot for sure.
All you have to do is keep
You have
clicking
to
on
time
them,
it out.
right?
It has travel time too. So.
Yeah, that's true.
I should have glaive her. Sorry, that's my fault.
Does it move faster as you charge it up?
Yeah,
more?
like look, he puts them in such bad spots.
Nice, Mark. I glaive her. Quick, go. You glaive her on her. You can't get away.
Oh god.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
I'm gonna pop myself.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
I gotta get back. My man, I'm still. I need help, please. Okay, I'm good.
Nice, we just chill.
I just need to get my ult back up. I don't have it right now.
I'm heading home. I'm low on everything.
You smell something?
I'll buy you an eggs next, dude.
I just started mine.
Don't get rid of it. How much do you have?
Oh, dude, I just got the point booster. What else could that go and do?
Scotty, right?
Always a step ahead.
I could get an Octarine core from it.
Hang on, of course.
Oh, actually, I do have the Ogre Club too, but I'll change that into something else too if you are dead set on giving me an eggs.
Yeah, I think it works
take an
well
egg.
with you. I'm starting to farm the eggs now. I'm pretty well
Taking
farmed
it.
myself.
Not bad. Oh, Jeff, take this.
This way looks clear.
Get rid of your other one.
Yeah.
Make your stuns last longer, your slows last longer, all that
Dodgy
shit.
scrog.
Let's smoke again. I have one on me.
I'm gonna have mana boots. I could use that.
I have them in a second here.
Not you. Yeah, Marcus, just stay pushing and we'll be the secret gang squad.
Yeah.
Quap?
Good quap, yeah.
She's so
You're
dead.
gonna bench layer Marcus, yeah, she's definitely dead. That
Grab
works.
someone else.
Flatten her, bitch.
Yeah.
Probably the right.
Man.
Alright,
The cooldown's so short on it too, it's like 15 seconds on that Gleipnir thing.
Yeah.
Love it. I don't know why I didn't buy it. I never buy the new items, I'm always grumpy old man about it. I mean, I like the old items better. Also, let me peek with the gem, let the creeps go.
Oh shit, I have a maelstrom. How?
This way.
Oh wow, look at all that.
Bottom. Let's push bottom.
It's all on the way.
Bunch of mines mid.
Hey, I have someone's eggs.
Nice. Nice.
Since I got this BKB, I haven't had to use it once.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to have the insurance.
My god. I'm dead out of the crap. I'm dead. Oh, she got me. Nice bash. Nice. I am dead. Be a little careful. Marcus is strong. But once
Oh, shit.
He is in the
I got
background
it.
just ripping us up. Yeah.
Alive.
Yeah, PA just hopped out and got us.
I think PA killed 4 of us in the back lines there. Well, if Dave died.
I got juke!
Yeah. Oh, 2 buybacks. Alright.
Ah!
Yeah. Yeah, just rocked us in the back.
You were
If I had
should've
mana, I
left.
probably could have managed her, but I was out.
Alright, so how do I give you this?
Just hand it to me, I think, right, Dave?
Oh,
Or you
it has
pick
an
it and
active
then-
on it now. I
Yeah,
see.
okay. You give it to me. Or to Dave.
Who
Dave will
has,
huck
what,
me,
are,
right?
what are your respective ags?
Yeah, give it to Dave
Dave's
then.
probably better, right?
Yeah. Mine's pretty good, but it's not like good as Dave's.
Well, Dave, you have 65 seconds until you get 3 eggs. And I also told Dave to stop building his eggs, so I feel like I owe
Your
it.
middle tower is under
I
attack.
didn't remember if Dave actually.
Someone should take this
Sure.
telescope.
I'll take
Chris, that'd be
this.
good on you.
Yeah, Jeff has the other one already. Yeah, it's a better version of what you have now, Chris. Telescope. Let's get Ghost after. PA can't do that to us anymore.
If someone asks me for
Yeah,
a
much
job,
easier.
I'll say yes.
Can I get some neutrals? We still have 2 more we don't have yet.
What's your eggs, Mike?
When I'm in the ball and I use my shield crash, it sends Swashbuckle 4 different directions. So I do more damage. Gape, Marcus?
I kind of like my Cloak of Flames, but
Stats are good, and your illusion's gonna be strong too.
yeah, you're right. I should take.
Leave it.
Just the stats alone are crazy on it. 20 and 20.
I just miss. I like the Cloak of. I like that burn cloak. It's so nice, but you're right.
Stay in the trees.
All right, Dave, where you at?
Yeah,
In
Go
our
mid.
triangle.
Oh, we lost a gem there, huh? Fuck.
I aimed to please.
Forgot about that.
Come here.
I want to put gems up. Oh, it's
Taking
up.
their thing.
There's some abandoned ones of these roam where I
Okay.
grew up. Fun to play it.
I'll farm around for another gem and then I'll. There you go.
Got it. Got it.
Give me some in bottle, I'll have enough. Oh! Soul Prism for free! And a ninja gear. Actually, I want the ninja gear. Unless someone else wants it.
I got her. I got her.
Yep. I'm here.
Where'd she go? She must
Sorry.
have like out there.
Break it
Okay,
up, you
fine.
guys!
Yeah.
I'm keen. No worries.
Don't fight yet, let me get the gem. It'll be a couple minutes. Wait, let's take Roche soon. Should it be up?
Careful, Jeff. They're
Uh-huh. Got it.
ready to jump on it.
Want to check Roche, somebody?
I'm going.
I'm going top to fill that gigantic fucking wave.
Stop
Yeah.
me.
Oh. What was that? I got rooted? Got Roche.
Just peek. Oh, it's a techie thing.
Hold on, let me stick this in there. Right.
Yeah.
Yep, there's a barrel here.
That's it.
Does
Alright,
that keep
so I
him
hang up
from
my Roche.
spawning or something? Is that he had one
No.
barrel in there that didn't explode when I went in?
It's scout. He gets vision.
All right, Mike, I have your eggs.
Damn.
Well, we have good vision if Roche comes up
We're doing
soon.
Roche? Oh, he's not up. Okay.
Not up yet. We should wait, hang up by it though.
Come to me, Mike.
Trending time. Here's a happy little fella.
Thank you.
Whoa. Chill it, yeah? Opposite.
Is there a limit to how many trees I can have up? Should I just be putting them down in anticipation?
They go away after a little bit.
But I mean, if I cast them as fast as I can,
Look,
like...
Margaret. Got it.
Uh,
Ripper.
I do big boy damage. Hey, where's my gem? Oh, I didn't have inventory space. Didn't give it to me.
No worries.
Oh, every time I do it, it does the swashbuckle. Okay, I thought it was just in the ball. That's really good then.
Should I buy gems for? Well, Chris doesn't have an eggs, right?
I don't think so. Jeff ain't bad. Makes his ult better.
I'll buy eggs for you
Roche,
too.
Roche.
so-
Roche is up.
Let's go do
Marcus
Roche.
takes it.
Just follow my tail.
Wow!
Uh-huh. I'll make you famous.
I'm gonna head home right away and then I'm coming right back.
Get stuffed.
These are my eggs. Yeah!
Your shrine has fallen to the dark.
Jeez. I'll take it, but it's all different. Alright, you can take it.
I'm holding it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
You can probably just keep it. I'm saving for buyback. The only way we can lose is buyback, I think. Not having them.
Kill something.
I'm gonna save for that. Stick top. I'm pretty sure mid's gonna be mined like crazy.
Now I'm the dodgy one. One in the blue. It's all on the way.
So they have a ward up there. Then,
Where?
up on this mountain by me. Yeah,
Oh.
mountain.
I'm not down there. We are split up. Be careful. Where are we going? Top or bottom?
Not yet.
Top, I guess.
I'm just pushing all waves right now.
Piece of this.
I have a gem.
Since I have my.
They got 3 mines up here. That's it. That's not bad.
Oh wow, okay. The maelstrom goes on my jumper thingy too.
If you can stun somebody, Dave, I'll go on them. If you feel like where they were last time, right there at the edge. Oh, so I'm safe going in.
There's a in these trees here, hidden away, is one of the bombs.
Where?
See a parchment?
Oh, like one of the wink ones.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In there.
Okay.
Here.
Got him.
I love your fissure there. Not so much anymore.
If you guys
Ouch.
do that, I'll.
dead,
I
I'm
should be
dead,
able
I'm
to push
dead.
this.
I'm an
Jesus, she destroyed me. She jumped in on me and killed me. Marcus is hopefully taking bottom racks.
I made it out too somehow. Goes up to save my ass.
I gotta get out though.
I need a 4-staff actually.
I'm running there, Marcus, but
I have my Ags, or my Aegis, remember?
Aegis. Oh, Jesus, Mike.
God, she does a lot of damage. Holy shit. I'm just stunned forever. Ah, shit, I really thought
we gotta be together.
Yeah.
We were split up. It was 2
There's
separate.
so much stun with that goddamn. The Underlord stun, like his it's so good because if someone stuns you, then it comes, then someone stuns you again, it comes. It's a great
Yeah,
stun compliment.
yeah, it's really good.
I just need a 4-staff. I need a little bit more mobility.
Yeah, we do need to just be together. That was silly. I was just trying to take that Rax, but.
We're gonna attack you too, which is
Looks like the same.
push again.
But is it
Lost another gem, god damn it.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Got a stock
Your
for a
middle
while.
tower is under attack.
I'm dead for 50. I really don't want to buy back. I think I have to, huh? Can you guys hold it?
40.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Who we fighting? It's
Jeff should be able to ult and save that tower.
Not yet, though. Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah,
Only
wait for
the
them
heroes push,
to see if
yeah.
they come. Oh, Dave can really push the tower
Yeah,
too.
they can stall. I think we'll be okay. I have 30 seconds. I should be up. And Mark is up
Your
in
middle
25.
tower is under attack.
I have an
I really
extra
don't want to buy
Jeff.
it back there.
Watch it. Always.
I still feel like I'm missing PA even though I have MKB.
Yeah.
Shouldn't. Oh, you got a 75% chance to pierce only. They changed it, remember?
Yeah, that's annoying.
Not guaranteed
guess-
anymore.
I just stay there.
Your
There you go, your ult was way better.
attack.
I'm keen.
I almost do wish they would do a Dota 3 with totally unique characters. I'd like to see what they would design. Not having the constraints of the old engine that this game came out of.
In blood trails.
I don't mind
Yeah,
fighting.
they'd
I'll
end up
join her
just
for 5.
overlapping.
Yeah, I'm ready whenever.
Yeah, somewhat.
My ult is actually.
But
we should wait 30 seconds.
I
for
think the
ults
way
and
some of the
like
newer heroes feels is way better than a lot of the older heroes. I don't
Give
know.
Marcus your cheese, I think, Mark. Dave?
Yep. Marcus.
Somebody farmed this, so they were
that.
here.
Do I replace Sans and Yasha with it? I guess so. Maybe I just replace my boots with it.
Just the tree.
And we just slow walk.
Hey, a gem.
Slow
They didn't
fight.
take it. Yay.
Uh-huh.
Got one.
Top. I'm gonna go top, or can someone go top?
You could
And
rush
come-
it.
Let me go. I have
Need to
traveled.
fight
I have
that, right?
traveled. I have traveled. I can come back.
Well, why don't we just stay as a group?
Your
Well, that needs to be pushed
Ah,
back
okay.
into the shitload of farm.
I'm here. I'm staying here.
Dave, can you get on it?
Hey, help!
She has
I'm
a
back
fucking-
to 25.
she has a
25, I can come back.
do anything.
Just wait, hang out for 20 seconds. I can come back and
Pause a peddler.
use BKB there, right? At least.
Yeah. I couldn't do anything to her.
Yeah.
Got any scrog?
Bounties are up.
Can she just blink out of my thing?
She has a BKB, so she BKB'd and you couldn't touch her. She also has a Lincoln's, which sucks.
I'm always
I'm grabbing these bounties, so careful down bottom, guys. Mike, watch out. She's there. I'm coming up.
No, I couldn't get that off.
Oh, you're dead.
Damn.
We're
I'm
too
sure I got
separated.
my shit off.
wicked.
Yeah, it's one too many ways.
We're not together. Also, me and Marcus are separate.
That's what I was saying, yeah.
Let's just smoke again and kill fucking somebody.
Well, they never come out unless it's to kill. They know we're separated. Which is what
There's
we-
a Phantom Lancer. We can get, or Phantom Assassin. We can get her, right? All three of us come in.
Maybe
Probably
if Dave
behind
comes,
is my
but
guess.
we don't know where. Okay, actually, we probably could if she walks up here.
Yeah, Jack on a. I wouldn't be surprised.
Not you.
There's a tome in base. Maybe Dave take it. He go levels 25.
No, this way.
Nah, your 25 isn't that great. Like it's actually not. Totem cooldown's good for what you have.
Leave it. Dip this way. Just follow my trail.
Hmm. I need BKB. I could've got that easy there.
I don't know what to do with all my money.
Moonshard, you have that?
Opposite.
I should probably replace the Sonic Gymnastic, right?
Yeah, that's a very good week.
Catch one.
Butterfly isn't bad for PA.
It's how I live.
Give yourself some evasion.
Yeah.
Wings some tail and trailing.
Butterfly suck now. I never see it purchased anymore. Maybe it's a garbage item. I don't know.
I think maybe because MKB is such a staple.
Careful, Jeff.
Not again.
Yeah. Kill that word. Kill that word.
Always a step ahead.
It might be too late. It might be.
I don't want to die again.
I'm gonna grab that. Hold
See
on.
it?
Let's all go. There's a ward here. Let's all go together. You can get it.
Nah, yeah.
Oh,
Gotta pay the till tax. Time to kill something?
Do we want to try to smoke? See what we can do. See if he'll come.
We're all here,
Just
except
follow
for
my
no,
trail.
we're all here, except for Mike.
Did you see a branch move?
Here, smoke's coming. Let's sit up here. And we'll go this way. We'll go whoop. And try to catch him. They're starting to peek out more and more, it feels, so.
Yeah, they're probably feeling pretty confident now.
oh,
Go this way. Go our way around. Marcus go first. But actually, I have a pistol. I'll go first.
This way.
Oh,
Here, Quap. Yeah. I'm going to Abyss.
Yeah.
Wait,
I have no
go
boots
right.
on right now, so.
ah.
Him.
I did not know she had fucking Lincoln.
Yeah. Oh, she's. If you can get her now, though.
I'm dead. I'm dead. God, I'm dead so fast. Alright, good, Marcus. Kill him.
That was big. Yeah. Good job.
Next time, there is sex before I assassinate.
There it is. That's the what we needed.
Hey, ball back. This thing saved my ass this game. So good.
Get these racks and then get these in the middle. These in the middle. Actually, someone could probably go middle. Start pushing middle right now.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Don't worry about getting kills. Go get middle and take the racks.
We got this. They don't have buyback. If they did, they would have bought back by now.
Yeah.
Your top
This-
tower
the game's
is under
over.
attack. Enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
Oh yeah, wow. They're good for a long time.
Take. Oh no! Forgot I didn't have a gem anymore.
Get that and
Just
get out.
rack
I
and get
think
back.
Marcus,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's enough.
Enemy's middle
Hey, it's only PA alive for 40. I don't know. It's up to you.
I'll be there in a second,
Your
I
top
guess.
tower is under attack.
Let's see.
You can
Actually-
be. Oh, damn.
Here and there.
Oh, we did it right back to her. Oh no.
Yeah, she has like her crits take my whole health bar, and my ult was off, was down by then.
I can buy that. We all can buy
I
that.
buy that
They're
too.
fine. No rush, guys. Once they
guys should
start
push
coming out
out,
of there, yeah, just push these lanes out. You shouldn't be in the. You don't need to be
Yeah,
in
you
the
should get
jungle.
out of there.
I have a gem now.
Get out of there now, Chris. You're dead. Force staff.
I tried.
Yeah.
God, her fucking damage is ridiculous. Yeah, it's just I didn't have my ult there too. That was a big deal. Yeah, I was purple because I had the berserk potion, but I didn't actually have the ult.
Be up in time to defend. Hopefully, don't.
Does Zags actually do anything to me other than I guess it just gives me free stats, right? For a slot.
Your middle tower
No, it does
is under
something.
attack.
I can use it on myself.
Oh, never mind. No, your ag is the
Your
ability to
middle
melt them
tower
down or whatever.
has fallen.
They
Should I
have the
buy
fortified.
back? Should I buy back?
Uh,
I'm doing it.
Your middle
yeah,
tower
I
is
don't
under
know.
attack.
Well,
yeah,
I guess-
no, you don't need
Yeah,
to.
wait.
No, they're backing
I'll
up.
put
They're
it
backing.
this
They might be going
I
to
have a
Roche.
scepter of
right
my
now.
own. Okay.
They're going to
I
Roche.
They were good.
They just
Every
checked
scepter I
Roche.
gift, I get more. I get bonus
Uh,
damage and.
They were
and
checking
spell
Roche.
application.
They were checking Roche at least.
we should head there once everyone's up. Once we have Marcus at least.
Yeah, 13 seconds, and I'll be up. Make sure everyone has their buybacks. Hold on to them.
Fuck! I just had enough, and I came to life, and I don't have enough anymore. I didn't
Yeah,
find
you
anything.
probably out leveled it.
I mean, I didn't get a level when I was dead.
I'm coming. I have boots of travel.
Roshan has
Yeah,
fallen
fuck it.
to
Get back.
Got a halberd for PA.
Sure. Scurry out of it. Probably the right way.
Feel like they hired the same guy who did the Stranger Things soundtrack for this Dota anime.
There are weird
I
synth
see it.
instruments for Dota.
How about shortcut? Just follow my tail. Gap it.
Gonna be a pain in the ass to push. They have one lane left to take, and it's techies. You know, they have the mind to crazy.
We just gotta push the other ones as well.
Yeah, I think you just gotta push for the win.
Don't forget they have Aegis and cheese and whatever else he drops. So be
Oh
careful.
my god, I've almost been playing this game for an hour.
Yeah, it's techies. That's what it does to a game.
60
I don't
minutes
like
to get the
that.
next item.
Yeah. What's a warning shot? Probably the right way.
They see us, stay
Now
careful.
I'm the dodgy one. Wait.
Do you have gem still?
I do now, yeah.
Can you come up here?
Yeah, I'm
Leave it.
coming.
Find the
I'm
ground.
stunned by techies. That's gonna be a while. Last fucking forever.
Oh my god, you're the worst.
Have a squiz. Go go. Things the murder started.
Pop is
so-
here. Pop is on me.
Always a step ahead.
She BKB'd.
Should we go top?
You can still missile Marcus, I'll go.
Remember, she has a thing.
Oh god. Fucking just ran into PA.
Double Lincoln, baby. I was hoping you'd use yours too.
Get out, Jeff.
I
Jeff,
used
Jeff,
I
Jeff,
used
Jeff.
my stun first. I was hoping. I was trying to be strategic, but it didn't matter.
Jeff, you can go back to middle lane and help them.
Yeah.
Just don't go through those woods.
BKB, what? I said BKB, just kite it. We can go after that, I think.
My ult's down for
Me
27
and Dave were just
seconds.
poking away at her, pissing her off. We're using all our range shit. What do you like smoking into him now? That BKB's done. Is that a good idea?
Yeah, they don't have crop, which is a lot of their damage. We're missing Chris, but it's a better trade.
Here you go.
I'm coming.
Here's a missile. She's wiping here too. I'm out of mana.
She's
Get
just
a PA,
on.
please. She has ages, don't forget. I got him. What's telling me forever? Oh. Shackled, apparently.
Assassination.
Sounds to me, techie suicide or something?
God, that's time, Dave. You're fucking.
The amount of stun that he has with this Ags thing is
Nuts.
insane.
Yeah.
It's
The
ridiculous.
shards they're just ridiculous. And it's that could potentially be on an entire team the entire time.
Coming back, just wait for me.
I'm also coming.
Hopefully PA
Keep us
having
stunned,
ages.
Dave. Keep us stunned.
Fly back. I think just end. Maybe they need to put all their mines on top or something. Just wait for me though.
Anyone know where we're going? Not yet. Piece of piss. Yep. Oh, it's what I do. It'll go the distance.
Pop your Lincolns.
Oh, nice hit, Chris.
Got him. Oh shit! I fucked up my ult.
There we go.
That's the game for sure.
Gates go. Oh!
Ow.
Look at this.
One muffin to another.
Ow. I am so squishy, that's the only problem.
Yeah, that's the thing. If they get to you, you're kind of dead.
My mana,
I need
which
help.
will make me
Oh,
useless
no.
soon.
I don't know, pushing top might have been the right.
No, because they probably have the things there as a problem.
Okay, whoa. I have to get back. I have no health. I have to get
I have
back.
no mana. I can't really help you guys much. Shit, Mike.
Power
Help, help,
shock.
Jeff, do you have your pet? Oh, never mind. Jeff, fire path if you have it.
He's up and get out, get out. He's up, he's up, he's up. We got no fucking structure there, the issue.
Enemies middle
Yeah.
tower
Oh, we got a
has
middle.
fallen.
We burned a lot of their buybacks, at least.
Can you hang on to the gem, Dave? Do you have inventory?
I don't. Well, I could move the soul ring. Yeah.
I'm having inventory issues. Look at my items. I have nothing to drop here. I need this thing too bad to get rid of it.
Does Maelstrom build into Gleipnir?
Yes, which is awesome.
That's what Mike's using right now.
So good. It's like an AoE Atos. Like it roots in an AoE area.
I'll get Gleipnir, I guess.
And does damage too, like 200 damage, I think, to the whole area. Something like that.
Apex.
Oh yeah, tier 5s. Let's not let them in the woods. Well, we can't stop them right now, I guess.
Yeah, my
Apex goes
buyback
markets,
is
for sure.
my buyback is almost $6,000.
Get the Apex markets.
Where is it?
Send it home.
Plus 75, that's crazy.
Giant stone. Yes.
Oh, do I want that?
No, I want it.
Yeah,
Ballista.
it's pretty funny on you. Chris Ballista.
Can't pick it up. There.
Yeah.
Not great, just game for us.
I'm a giant. I'm a giant. I love it.
I don't even know what I'd want.
Alright,
Pretty
Jeff,
cool.
I don't even.
Yeah, the
I'm
giant
still
on
gonna,
you, Mike.
Chris,
I
I'm
wanna
gonna
see a
give
giant
you
ball
an
rolling
eggs
around.
because
Oh, give me that. Give me book of the.
I'm gonna give you an eggs even though it doesn't do anything because it still gives me bonus stats for giving it to you. From the makers. 5 seconds until I can give it to you. There you go.
What does it do?
Congratulations. For you it does nothing.
Got any scrog?
Okay.
But it gives me bonus stats for giving it to you because you just don't happen to have an eggs thing. But look, I have 5,000 health now.
Any blood trails? Uh-huh.
There's what's her face.
Go, go, go.
I'm just gonna let myself pop here.
They have a million mines on this top tower. Neutral creeps are killing them. My necro creeps are killing all the mines, baby.
Neko was a great idea, yeah.
Me.
What up, tiny man?
Let's go to
killed him.
let's go top lane.
Do I get free pathing from this?
Yes.
I do. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Keep them out of the woods.
Trembling time.
We are the only ones that can have giant rings. Yeah, I got stunned.
Yeah, PA still has Penta Edge Sword. She ain't gonna whip it.
I'm
That's right,
tempted,
there.
but
Nope, I'm just harassing her. I'm not trying to go in.
Like, what's our plan right now? We can't do anything.
Wait for ages.
We
I guess.
have to go in.
Just follow my trail.
Careful, Mike. They're all looking at you.
I have lots of escapes now.
Always on the right trail. Maybe just the tree.
Got her.
No, this way.
God, the PA fucking bash thing comes like bashes me every time.
Not here. This way.
Oh, the killing his techie's mind. He's gotta be so annoyed.
We gotta do something. Like, we're just kind of sitting here. They're gonna catch up to us. Like, we have a good lead right now.
Wait for ages, I think, and then we'll go.
One in the groove.
With my. Oh,
I don't know if I can hold
We got her.
Who we fighting?
we're not there.
Get it.
I guess I could replace the Aegis with the Battle Fury. Oh, I have double damage.
Mm.
Roche is not up, but I think we should use this double damage. See that?
Alright, I'm getting the crit. I'm getting dataless.
I think if we see him, we go. Like, if there's
I'm
someone
gonna
I
have to
can
give up
jump
this
on.
gem though. Someone else is gonna have to hold the gem.
Fucking hate this route.
Now mind the branch.
Oh,
Here, Chris, hold this gem.
Double damage is gone.
Gem is yours now. Alright, put something in your backpack, Chris.
Yep.
There you go. Gem is yours.
What else can I buy?
Bad person to put it on, but
I
okay.
have so much money.
Stay very far back.
I already do, and I still get killed half the time.
Scurry out. Just follow my tail. Tail trailing. My tail's a tail. Just follow my trail.
Yep, I can't get out of these trees.
No
How's
worries.
this
Roche is
possible?
Because you have to use your ability to pass through trees. That,
Oh, I just go right through them. Okay.
Roche is up, Jeff.
It's like, how did I get
Roche
in
is
there?
up.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh my god, you're gigantic.
So tiny. Little man.
you are Roche size. Here, Dave. I'll make you attack faster. Box him! Box his ears! Alright, I guess I'll replace my Battle Fury with this.
I have 9,000 gold. I don't know what to buy.
I think if you walk over people, you do like some sort of movement slow or something.
You do damage, I think it's good. Who wants an axe? Who doesn't have one yet?
Who wants
I'll
the
have it.
pressure?
Know where we're going?
Should we just get rid of it? Delete it?
I'll
I'll
wants
take
the
the pressure.
cheese?
I'll take the pressure.
There you
I'll
go.
take some
Chris.
cheese.
I'll just
Alright,
stand
Mike.
back and shoot.
Alright, we gotta get in.
Okay.
You smell something?
Mike, cheese.
Trending
Okay.
time.
Yeah, alright, let's do something. We're all attacking the same spot, right?
Now,
Yeah, not top, right? Because that's
Not top.
they
Push
probably are.
top in and then go mid or something.
unless Mike can uses it, necro creeps too.
I could get her.
Where are you guys? Get over here.
There's not a lot of mines up here. Like 4. And
Does
there's
he
no
have that
sign.
sign?
No.
always on the right trail.
So it's definitely not that bad. There's like 3 or 4 mines in total, I saw.
What? This
Make sure we have buyback and it's fine.
I got
Yeah.
buyback.
Yeah, we're fine.
Hey, I'm ready. I'll go into the next wave.
Yep.
Nah, yeah.
I quap.
Alright, she got me back here.
Oh my god, what the fuck happened?
You one-shotted quap. I get pistol her. Snipe narrator? Yeah, it ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, we were probably over.
Oh, you got me.
Oh, people back. I'm a little scared.
I still have my Aegis.
Make sure we get this barracks,
I'm
yeah.
hitting racks, I'm hitting racks. I was stunned next to the rack, so I kept hitting him.
Enemy's top barracks has fallen. You now have mega.
I'm dead, but I got the racks. I'm happy.
Only death is enough.
Yeah, blood back, a lot of buyback.
Oh my god, that's done.
Yeah. Yeah, tier 4, come on, baby. Creeps, creeps. Oh.
No, all those bombs. Alright, I'm gonna go pee. I'm sure they're not gonna make it to our doorstep by this.
They have to go against Megas now. And they have spawned. Yeah, what can I buy? I guess Moonstar. I might as well, even though it's not great on me. No reason not to. I have 12,000
Nah, she's
gold.
going though. Like, we might need to buy back.
We have a fortify too. With mega creeps. Like, wait for the 30. Fortify those ones, I think. Or should we just...
No, I guess we wait for. I don't know. Just going for it.
They don't have, she doesn't have creeps either.
Tower is under
There's-
attack.
Wait, where's that back door? What the fuck?
Dire's structures are fortified.
Jeff, put your ult down.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I'm gonna go. If Mike dies, we
Your
lose.
middle tower has fallen. Your middle barracks are under attack.
I'm keen.
I mean, maybe we should just let him have mid-rack. It wouldn't have been that big of a deal. Buybacks are pretty important.
Yeah,
But yeah.
I did not buy back.
If you had died, I would have been worried about.
Two of us had to buy back there, dude. They really fucking came in hard.
Is that a joke or?
No, me and
No,
Marcus had to buy back.
like PA can throw a
Yeah,
wave
just
and then
march
win a single
down.
attack.
Yeah, I see it.
Well, PA has no buyback, so we gotta play. But neither me and Marcus, so we really gotta play. If we and Marcus die, we definitely lose.
Let's keep the aggression on. They have. We don't want them to get their items, right?
I'm sure they probably got them by now. Like, it's scary, because if me and Marcus die, we just lose the game. We don't have buyback, either one of us.
Buy back.
So let's not be aggressive then, is my plan. Until you guys have buybacks again. If you really want to win the game. I don't really care. But if you want to win, that's what
They do have to fight mega creeps.
They have to
now.
fight
Let's just get
megas.
all the creeps in the lane and then see where we're at.
Got any scrog? Leave it. Invisibility. Yeah, I see it.
I think the smart thing is to wait for Roach. Again. Which sucks. And again, the smart thing is to wait for buyback, which is that far away. Which sucks.
It was a long time. That might be it. That might be the longest game of Dota I've ever played. If we wait that
I mean,
long.
if EA pushes one more wave, we can get
Is
it.
there anything else I can buy? At this way, should I
You
have?
have everyone else.
should I- well, I guess Battle
Moon
Fury
Shark.
is good, is important because it helps me clear these waves, right? Especially
Eh.
Battle Fury.
Time.
I don't think wave is the
Maybe
most
I can put it in my
important thing right now.
backpack and buy a Scotty. Use Battle Fury purely for clearing the waves and get a
It's really
Scotty.
posturing, Dave. You ready to come down here?
This way looks
Rest.
clear.
Coming.
Who we fighting?
Does Scotty make sense? Is that the next item I should get if I?
Just stay together at least.
I mean, you can get a rapier if you're feeling really crazy.
I guess why not, right? If I die, it's over anyway.
Well, at this point, later on, maybe.
You can get everyone moon shards too.
Okay, you can
I
get
bought
anyone
it
now.
right here.
Oh boy.
Wait, where'd it go? Oh, it can't go in my backpack, so it went on the floor.
Yeah.
Oof, that was scary. Imagine they walked by and picked it up.
Probably keep Battle Fear if you're gonna have that. Get rid of I don't know actually what you get rid of.
I can get rid of my boots when I need it. I can probably get rid of my boots now because I get movement speed from my
Go, go, go.
my ult.
It's how I live. Scurry out. I'm always on the right.
Who has a gem now for us?
I had it. I died in that last fight.
Just follow my tail.
I got two ults off and I hit both of them. And then what's her name jumped in the back and got me.
Mike, your guys are just hanging out here.
Oh, get in there, you idiot.
That's the one. Pause a peddling. This way looks clear. I'll lead the way. It's what I do.
I'll eat a mean shard, sure. Why not?
Hang on, of course. Where's the murder star? What? Gap it.
Oh, what a fucking game. Yeah.
Techies, man.
You smell something?
Alright.
When does he
Always a step ahead.
come up, Roche?
I never keep track.
Uh-huh.
We should put sentries all around here too. They probably see us coming in. It'd be nice to catch. Just buy a bunch of sentries, anyone that, or I'll buy them all actually.
I bought him already.
Just put them all around the lanes, like places you wouldn't expect. Try to cover like a broad area just around the lanes,
Time to kill something?
around like this area. I bet you that they're watching us.
Sure.
Double damage here.
I'm keen.
I could grab it.
I'll take it. I want to fucking double damage crit mine.
Yeah, go ahead.
My tail is
Magnitude.
Let's see how much damage I'll do.
Is Roche up?
Nah, yeah.
I don't know where they would see us. We have sentries decently around. Like,
Yeah. Push.
oh, there's somebody over here. It's a creeping around the woods, all by himself.
Rattle the dogs.
No Roche yet.
Yep.
Alright, I have a moonstar for somebody.
This way.
I should probably
I
get.
already got
travel, huh?
Dave,
Yeah.
come here. I'll moonshard you.
I already grabbed one. I have nothing to get.
Next, come here. I'll moonshard you.
I used mine. I got one.
Probably
Yeah,
not
Chris.
so
This is the next highest damage probably on his right click.
Yeah. Stay in the trees. Now you tell me.
Nope, I made quad BKB.
Pause it, peddling. Whoa!
There's one.
Need your coin? Got any scrog? Just follow my tail.
Yeah, there's a word.
Yeah, I see it.
You could probably kill him.
Watch out, that ward. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he really set those off, huh? He's like,
No worries.
if I can't have them, no one can.
Probably the right way.
Alright, 2 minutes until my buyback's up.
Any
Chicken
blood
rush.
trails?
Shit, I spent my buyback money on this high damage fucking, what do I call it, Gleipnir thing. Thinking that by the time you guys had it, I would have it again, and I do not have it.
Hold on.
Let me farm a little bit.
You have room to hold the ages even, Marcus?
Shit, I gotta get overwhelming.
I'll put
You
down
keep
my
the AC in your backpack?
BKB. I don't need the BKB for the first life.
That's true.
Forgot. Oh, remember overwhelming blink if people get
Oh
blinks.
yeah.
My blink is my epistle.
Flat out. Drinking time. I don't deserve that money. No, this way.
Anyone check Tia's items? Does she have? Alright, 30 seconds. So if there's no Roche, we can fight if we need to.
And Roche is free. They can't stop us. Might as well take it. It should be up.
On the way.
I would think soon. But
Tail it, trail it.
Someone check this rune on your way to Roche.
Just
Rush is
follow
up.
my trail.
good timing.
Now I'm
Will Roche give us $600?
Arcane, and I'm taking it.
Probably not that much. Yeah, the axe guys. Good luck. Good thing there.
my tail's a sailor.
Could I give someone a second axe?
No, I don't think so.
Shaman has fallen to the
Oops, I took the refresher by accident.
Someone wanna grab this?
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
I'll take a
God
refresher.
damn it, I got the refresher again.
Here, I'll take the refresher.
There,
Jesus.
take the refresher. Sure.
Thanks the moves.
If you want the axe, put on the courier. Go take
Where's the refresher?
Oh, and I just want to see if it gives me an option.
Who we fighting?
4, 3, 2, 1. No, I cannot. It doesn't even give me it. Where's your courier?
What? This way.
Who has a
I
refresher?
destroyed it.
All right, let's just go.
Always on the right trail.
Somebody has a gem, right?
I don't have
No,
much.
I lost the last fight, I think.
I have necro creeps, but they're not too reliable. Are we just gonna push her?
Let's push.
Time to do something?
Maybe just. Oh god, if we could have gotten her there.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, you use them. Okay.
Is everyone coming? Okay, let's go. Next creep wave, let's go. Should we fortify the wave on the way in?
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh shit, there's already one there.
If we die and they're pushing back, the fortifiers are gonna save us anyway.
Yeah, we have wall buyback.
Does anyone have the refresher and can I have it?
I don't have it.
I don't have it. I put it on the ground in there. Did anyone not pick it up?
Doesn't mean I don't want
Fortifying.
Structures are fortified.
Yeah.
I'm walking up. I'm ulting. That's one dead.
Bunch of monsters there right in the middle, see him? But how they're gonna die, but Swap was on me.
That's one dead.
Die from.
Swap's dead.
Let's get PA. Get PA.
I'm on her. Man, they fucking manning up against PA. Like with these. Yeah, boy, back.
That's it. I got stun on her. I can't even walk to her. Holy shit, this fucking.
Where'd she go? Here she is. I got PA back here. Fucking this silence. Yeah, there I go. Oh no, again? Tap my back and no.
No, don't risk it.
God.
It's so annoying. I have buyback.
Yeah, I'll back here.
Do they
I
buy?
have so much. They have so much fucking stun. I can't move.
They all buy back from them?
Yeah, a bunch
Yeah.
of them. PA and Swap. If we both buy back markers in this go, I don't think they can stop us. Look who's left.
I don't think
if
so
we're gonna do
either.
something like that, we need everybody.
We all five buy back and do it.
I can buy back, but I don't know.
Let's do it.
Alright, we probably should do it right
Let's
away.
do it. This is a smart thing to do, actually.
Alright.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Look.
Yep. I'm TPing to you. I was making
Trying to
sure
kill
that
the
you
creep.
hit
He
it.
fucked up. He fucked up so bad. He tried to kill the creeps. You see it?
Yeah. I saw you.
Divine marker, get your divine. Get your divine.
Oh, where? Oh, she had it. Fuck.
She fucked up so bad. She tried to kill the creep. I couldn't decide what to do, run or kill the creep, and she just did nothing.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, that was so fucking. That's shitty of her.
I'm keen.
That has to feel so bad.
I was waiting too to TP to you because I was worried she was gonna kill the creep.
I killed her fast, even by myself. Like I was fucking her up.
Yeah.
Fucking
When you can get to her, it's fine. The
Yeah.
problem is they have so much disable and our BKBs are gone.
Jesus, what a kill.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate techies. Techies is the worst hero.
I don't know if I have another Dota in me.
I don't think I could do it.
But I would maybe use Rocket League. Or,
I'd also do a Mysterium if anyone wanted to do that.
yeah, I would do Mysterium, I guess.
I would do Mysterium, man.
Include Sammy. And maybe Chelsea if she's awake.
It's
Just
12:30 though, yeah. Fucking finally got a win. Been a while.
Yeah, you run a little.
I think Alchemist will work for our group. I just need
I'm
to get
having
better.
fun with fucking.
Yeah, I like having Earthshaker. I miss it.
I do like having Earthshaker. The stuns is so nice. Having a good,
I like having
reliable
Akira
stun.
too. It's like a long range stun that can come from the darkness. It can come from like the fog of war or whatever, and they never see it coming. And it's AOE, it's so good having those. Yeah, they was one-shotting people. That was cool.
Yeah.
He one-shotted that quap.
He does way more damage. You are more dangerous than I am in the end because I can just be kited easily. You have
That was a legit one-shot too. He was full health that quap.
Yeah.
I watched it. It was
PA
full.
has no health.
She has nothing. Like she's 2-17 and 9.
Wow.
Quap, yeah.
What up, Goofy King?
Even when you're a
If
1v1 in
still
that
here.
PA for a while, oh, she's
It's hard to talk while playing Dota.
Yeah, she can do anything. Like she had got back, so she had already used her BKB. So
I should have grabbed the MKB. That probably would have saved my life. They have so much physical damage.
Oh, I have farmed you, Marcus. You're a punk. I guess you give all your
all my
away.
stuff goes away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You give all of it away.
That farm, probably part of that farm is the thing I gave you, right?
Yep.
4,000 of that is.
Yep. P kept up with us, but yeah, that's how it's supposed to work. P isn't supposed to go that late. We always have problems with her, but
Yeah.
that game's how it's supposed to go. Where like eventually she's
The only
Right
reason
for
that game lasted as long as it did was
It's also
the
fun having
Texas.
True Strike on my enchant totem against two of those evasive.
how do you have
Yeah.
that? Is it always
That's just how it is. Your enchant totem is always
never
a True Strike.
never knew that.
Do you know?
Trees are like the hardest thing to draw in the world.
Yeah, they can be. Was alright at trees. Anything in watercolor was my hardest thing to
Our
draw.
school should have classes for trees and hands.
I was a hand major.
There should just be. Gross.
Hand major.
Foot minor.
With a minor in Hanna-Barbera style bow tie. Yeah. I don't know if this is true, but I heard a thing saying 1% of the power used worldwide last year was for Bitcoin mining.
I mean, it does take a lot of power.
It does, and I guess it's only going to take more as time goes
Yeah,
on.
the problem is the problem
Well,
is
because
it's
you-
designed.
Yeah.
It's literally designed to take a lot of time to do, and the more people that do it, the more
Complex the
energy,
math problem
yeah.
the computers have to solve gets.
Yeah,
and
the more
thus
the more
longer
people
it
that are
takes.
using it, it's actually the Bitcoin is actually like as you see it coming, unless you can get free energy, essentially, and have all your energy needs taken care of. Bitcoin is actually a horrible idea
Yeah.
for people to adopt it and use it on a wide scale, because it's always going to be designed like you can't even say, oh well, we'll just get faster computers, because that ruins what Bitcoin is. It doesn't work if you just get faster computers. The point of it is that it takes a long time to do. That's why it's secure. Is because you can't fake an interaction and then just rehash the entire block before it, or the entire block after it. I can't take a transaction, switch it with the one I want it to look like, and then rehash everything, because it would take too long. By then, that chain has become like 50 billion times longer, and the longest chain always wins. The longest chain is always determined to be correct.
Oh, what a just colossal waste of energy.
Yep.
That must be 1% of the world.
More than some countries.
Well, it really is 1%. It's more than most countries probably.
And I want to buy a goddamn
Yeah.
computer, and I hate it that I can't, because the only one that I want sold out, and I don't feel like building one, and I'm definitely not paying for a graphics card at the prices they are right now.
I wouldn't be surprised if there's like some sort of bubble, if that's the next big economic downturn. Like at some point, people are gonna realize it.
Are we, what are we waiting for here?
I think we're waiting for Mike.
Dave go to bed?
No,
Dave
I'm here.
is-
I'm here.
Oh.
Excuse me.
I think my problem is I start too thick in the trunk and stay too thick.
I always
Yeah.
start with the leaves. Always.
I do too, but
Thick in the trunk. That's Jeff's name.
yeah, that's
Jeff is
that's
a-
what they call me.
Hot elephant. He's,
Fuck.
What the fuck is the elephant's name from Adventure Time?
Tree trunks.
Tree Trunks. There we go.
Thanks, buddy.
That looks good. Looks bonsai-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see what you got going on here.
When you're drawing, does it zoom in on your actual drawing for you? Because it does in your stream. Like, it takes away all the tools and just zooms in. All I see is the picture. It takes away all the Photoshop screen.
Really? Like when I'm not touching, it's there, and when I do touch, it is?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. As soon as you touch it, goes. Yeah, you can probably look at Chris's stream if you wanted to see it.
So right now you are not touch. You
I'm
are
not touching it right now.
Alright, not touch it. Yeah, you're touching
Now
it.
you're touching it. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
cool.
That is cool.
That does not do that on my end.
It's cool at first, but then it becomes slightly disorienting when you're like touching up little things.
Yeah. And then it's just like pow pow.
Yeah.
If I'm just like doing like this.
Oh, that one, it wasn't so bad. Maybe not taps would be... Taps aren't bad, but... I don't know
Or
what
there's
it
like
is.
a threshold where you have to be away from it or something.
Yeah. It is weird, I don't understand it. It must be
I
a
don't
thing,
know
like-
what is doing that. Like, is that Discord, dude?
Are you screen share? Excuse me. Are you screen sharing, or are you sharing the application?
I'm pretty sure I'm screen sharing.
So if you minimize that, we would see your desktop, or... Oh no, it did pause the stream there.
Oh, but
Maybe it's
didn't
'cause
show
we're
the
looking at the
desktop?
application.
Well, I guess it's showing the application then.
Maybe that's why. Maybe it's like Photoshop focuses on that, and it's like as far as
yeah.
Photoshop is concerned.
It's weird that it would have like considerations for that.
How do I change my color in the this version of the
Actually,
game,
that's not that
Marcus?
weird.
You said you put in something for color changing.
Just hit escape, it'll give you a new one.
Escape should take. Oh, did you purposely put it back on the send me back to where I started button?
I forget. I know I put it in a place where I knew if I pressed escape, it would redo it.
I could basically copy a lot of what I did in that last cityscape thing I did just into this. I have.
Is our plan to is the whole game gonna be dirty, or are we gonna make some clean areas?
I think there should be a
I think we
uptown.
should have like a variety.
Are we doing the thing where we want one person to do a level, the other one does another level, or are we gonna do try to do one cohesive art style?
I think
Where-
I think we'll have a style, but there will be, you know, different parts of town that look fundamentally different too.
What are you doing, Dave?
I mean, I don't know what to do to this.
Place
Well, I don't even. You don't even have to make it. I think it's just this is a style. He
Yeah,
wants
all you
in.
need to know is
you don't
the-
even need to make it the same color palette. Just like
Basically, make
This
a marker
kind of
for like,
building
here's where the buildings are. You know, here's the
organization.
top of where the buildings are. Here's where the, you know, like a marker for where street turns into building, turns into sky, and then do whatever the hell you want.
Yeah, okay.
you can
Why
be. You
can't
can
I
make it a
unlock
different
this?
color palette if you want.
I do like the color palette, but I would be open to other color palettes. Although, I do like the
I wouldn't
monochromatic.
be upset if you had like a thing where you did it in grayscale and we swapped color palettes for the time.
You could do it in grayscale, and we could put colors on it. I wouldn't. I'm very much in favor of it being like a one color, but you know, gradient sort of thing, like it is now. But it doesn't have to be that either.
I can't make new layers now. I can't do anything now that I
Index it.
Yeah.
That I don't know how to solve. There might be some
Well, let's just revert.
indexing it. Maybe that's why they said duplicate it, because maybe
Yeah.
take the palette and then have to open up the original image again.
Here, let me fix the doors too while we're at it.
What are you doing to the doors?
Fixing them so that the button works.
Oh, yeah. Dave's
I
at
hate
the room right now.
that Illustrator and Photoshop don't have the same controls. It infuriates the shit out of me.
I'll just call this key interact. Where's the code for the moving through the doors? On the door or on the...
It's on the door. Yes. If you hit up to those doors, you'll teleport a bunch of times and maybe wind up on the bottom door.
You playing with the controller, Dave?
Yeah, Dave is.
Do, please.
Oh, is it not working at all? We may have disabled it.
Here, hold on. I'll fix it and push it. The doors.
Yeah.
I also need to fix the output.
This is like 4,000 by 1,400.
Yeah. I need to disable.
So it doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to be nearly that long. I only need like a quarter of that
Yeah,
size.
I know.
Here, let me push this version to the get here.
The only problem with the movement, I haven't tried out your new movement yet, but your old movement is I wish I had more air control.
There's a lot more air control in this with your side roll thing, but I thought Dave would be against that because I know Dave likes momentum to hold on your regular jump.
I actually don't like how slidey the sprite felt, but maybe in the moment.
It is too slidey. Like for you to come to a stop is too takes.
Well, that's
too
what the
long.
down B is for. Stop on a dime.
When I use the air thing, I always feel like it's just taking control away from me because whenever I do it, it dashes.
That
when
is
I
the
land.
newest thing, and I think
It feels like my controller is breaking or something.
I don't know why the bus isn't showing. What did you do to it? Did you accidentally click it invisible, Dave? How come sometimes I get stuck crawling?
so. The whole reason I was trying to say this like a million times before, but I kept getting interrupted. The whole reason I redid the movement system in the first place, or like decided to do a state for everything, was basically like on the analog stick, if crawl is just down, and you don't enter a crawling state where you have to press pretty hard on the up to come out of it, it's very easy to accidentally come out of the crawl. Everyone load the new.
I almost wish it was a button then, like a, like right bumper to crawl or something. Well, this is something we can play around with. I do agree that it does look cool, but I do agree that the
Load up the most recent version. Also, I took the side air jump out, and I also I took anything that I'd made in the last day out that I haven't really tuned yet.
I'm waiting for the bus to come on my version to see if it's also invisible.
I feel like
No, the bus is visible.
this is like way too much movement.
So the whole thing, Dave wanted a pretty dynamic movement system. I think this is a pretty dynamic movement system,
It for sure is.
the whole thing is like movement should be a bad thing, and you should be using it to hide in the background. You shouldn't be using it to kill people. And if you're moving and visible, like, you can't kill. You have to be stopped and stationary to charge your kill. So you're not, you know, you're not at an advantage by moving like this. You're actually at a disadvantage.
Well, we'll see how everything fits together. We gotta get in there first.
Yeah. Dave, can you scroll over to in your room? Scroll
This
to the
looks
right.
this looks totally rad though. Like I want to play like a game where I'm a ninja doing this now.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna reuse this movement stuff for something else, but I think it'll be fine. Like here, do this, jump,
Like that.
jump, and then hit
That
down.
that wall grab and the like the down jump.
Yeah,
Like the down jump.
with the roll jump, the B jump.
Yeah, like it's like a down kick.
Yeah. And then try jumping. Try this. Keep dashing and keeping as much momentum as you can. Jump like up to another floor, and then like do like a swooping motion as you would want to, like you know, be sliding on your knees. If you hit it right, you can really slide pretty far with it. And then if you ever want to stop in the air, just hit down and B, and you will do a fast fall. I don't see your game.
It's
though,
the
Jeff.
game. How do I play it?
Just load it up. Oh yeah, I have to export it for you to play it since you don't have Game Maker. Hold on.
How much is Game Maker?
Like $100, I think, for the version we have. Maybe cheaper. I don't know at this point.
Dave, can you scroll over the right side of
It's
your
Game
screen?
Maker
I want to see
too,
if you can
right?
see the bus.
Game Maker Studio 2.
Yeah,
yes.
you can't even see it there. Maybe go click on the.
It's $100.
What?
It does go on
I mean,
sale
it's
every
there.
once in a
It's
while,
clearly
but
there because it picks those things up.
if you just want to use
I
my
wonder if you
credentials,
just have
Jeff,
it
you
marked
can.
somehow invisible in the game.
I mean, I don't
tabs
really
on-
need to have Game
It looks
Maker.
like, oh, I see. It is. It's part of object or spawn locations for whatever reason.
Here, I'll build
Why is it so it's in front of everything?
I'll build you a build. We won't be able to play together until I fix the. That's something I should do tonight. I really should fix the client.
The spawn locations are visible in real when you're actually playing. But, okay, that's all I cared about. I just want to make sure there wasn't something broken.
Am I doing this for no reason? Are people all working on the room?
I'm not. I'm just playing around with the movement. What are you doing?
So
Me?
here is another
you're
question.
building the level down.
What's that?
Well, I'm putting the tiles
Um,
in to see what they look like.
Like once the level is like built structurally how we want it, can we go in and do art on top of it for like background static things?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I think it's basically structurally where I would want it right now for the at least the first prototype.
Well, we're gonna need to test multiple level sizes.
Yeah, I don't want to do like fancy art until we play some games.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, like, is it like, would I just be able to draw on top of it, or would I have to like make a tile set or something?
You have to make a tile set to literally draw on top of it. Yeah.
The for just having objects that you want to place in the level, though, that is just upload this or import the sprite, and then like you could drag sprites directly onto the background.
Right. Okay. But like, if I wanted to like draw graffiti on that wall.
You can just make a
Just make a graffiti sprite
Make a
and
graffiti
just place it on top of the.
Okay. So you can't do what I want.
No, you can't just draw onto the map. Yeah.
Okay.
You'd always have to import.
I suppose you could make a 1x1 tile set. and kind of draw on the map.
Yeah, no, you would need to do.
Alright, here, Jeff, I'm gonna throw a version in the heart lamp. Throw a version in the old heart lamp there for you to play if you want. We can't play together yet because I broke some of the netcode by doing this movement stuff, but get the version without the B thing in it, Dave. You're too focused on it, and it's a very new thing.
What B thing?
I think
The
it's
air
a really
roll.
cool concept, but Dave's right. It takes too much control away from you. You have too little control.
It just I never even though I know what it is, it still feels like it's taken like.
Yeah, I know. I put
stealing
that. I
control
put
from
that
you.
in today,
I mean,
and
it does
I
steal control from you for sure. That's how it works.
I put that in today, and I would have taken it out before if I thought everyone was gonna play this before. So you should fetch the version I have now and play without it.
Problem is going to be figuring out your room stuff.
Whatever, just use Dave's room. It doesn't matter. Just make the million tiny changes over again, because that's what.
Wait for tiny changes later, like the.
I would not be designing a final level right now. We don't even. I wouldn't worry about that. I mean, you certainly can, or welcome to, but.
Oh, so
It's not going to come into play for a while.
Would you guys want me to be creating a should I be designing a second AI for the top zone, like people in buildings? It'll probably be simpler than the ones down below.
Yeah.
Like it's just one thing to do in each building.
Honestly, all they need to do in the top area right now is walk around, I guess, really. We just need people up there walking around for the playtest.
Make it a party, gotcha. A person who's an AI.
When I run the EXE, it brings up like the host auto connect.
Oh,
thing.
we can't do, you have to host. There's no auto connect right now.
Okay, okay, so host. Okay.
Yeah.
That's all I needed to know.
Yeah, that's all you have to do. Are you purple, Marcus?
X is the run button?
What's that?
Give me a
X
position.
is the run button?
I am a purple.
X is run, A is jump, B is like the
I think right trigger should be the run button.
right trigger should be run, and X should be kill.
Yes. Right trigger should be. Okay, so here's
Honestly,
my rationale, and it's like a shitty thing to say, but
God.
like you're basically in two modes, right?
Right,
You're in the sneaky mode and you're in the run mode.
right.
In both Assassin's Creed and Shadow of Mordor / Shadow of War, right trigger is the thing you hold down to like start doing parkour.
Yeah, I mean we could give it
And think about it, like you want it like holding down X and pushing A at the same time. That's not super great.
That is the like standard for platformers for years, though. I don't know if it still is, but like for
That was the standard for years when it was the fucking Nintendo. Those Mario controls.
running. So I can't. Let me think of a modern platformer with running. It's still that in Meat Boy. That has
Like
shoulder
that,
buttons.
That game came out like 10 years ago.
Yeah, but it had triggers.
I'm actually getting some lag in our game. I don't know why. Look at the task manager here. CPU is going through the roof.
How do you do that dive jump?
B from standing or crouching.
What is the dive jump?
The dive jump is B from standing or crouching. Just B.
Like in the air?
Not in the. Oh wait. Did I hold on? Did I remove it completely in the last build? I don't think I did.
Maybe you did.
Oh wait, do you mean the in the air dive jump?
Yeah.
Oh, I took it out on purpose because
Oh, okay.
don't fuck with it. Yeah, it's not ready. It's not a. I literally put that in there. You know, like over like a half hour while I was.
That's fine. That is one of my favorite game moves, though.
There's a way to.
Like the slam.
Yeah. Oh, the down B, the slam to the ground is still in. If you hit down.
I
B.
don't know how to friggin' merge a thing.
Don't worry about merging.
Down A, because it's a jump move.
Down A. I could put it on down A, but then the thing with putting it on down A was that's also the slide, so it's very hard to not. If you want to do it at a short range, it's very hard to do it and not slide, like slide right out of it. And that actually can feel cool, but.
Are these your conflicts?
Don't worry about merging. We could use your.
Oh, I can't do anything because I had it different and downloaded fetched the new thing and.
Just take Dave's room and leave everything else of mine.
I'm trying to look. So what stage are you at, David? You tried to push and it said can't push because there's a newer version. All right, so you need to commit your side now. Your changes.
I can't. Oh, I have to type them again. I already did.
Yeah.
It.
No, it probably stashed them because it had you pull the other ones. So go do it again. Yeah, server is gonna be overwritten. That's fine. Commit files. Then push.
Done.
Alright, keep an eye out for framiness. Something happened to my game.
I'm letting mine run for I'm gonna let mine run for a minute.
Well, Dave was running it for longer than anybody. I wonder if it has something to do with the fact that I was in line and got out of it or something. Maybe I have some leak or something.
Right trigger should for sure be run. Everyone on the internet will agree with this. I assure you.
I think right trigger being run is fine.
I'm not super against it, but. I would definitely at least give the option for X because I would, and I'm.
Can we not just have run be like all the way to the side on the stick?
It doesn't feel great with that. Personally.
I don't like that.
It doesn't feel.
Well, this time we can try multiples. Like, who cares? Just put all the options in there. Make a button to switch between them, and we'll see what feels the best.
It's just that analog movement.
So the only
digital input sucks.
It's not. It is digital input, analog. You know,
there's only one speed when you're running, right?
When you're walking, there is several though it's for the walk that.
Yeah, but that's.
Seems like
fine enough
too.
Like but when you're running around, it doesn't. You don't get that feeling. It's completely lost. It's just digital. It's an analog.
I think the better. Like, who cares? Don't argue over it. Just get a just put them all in, and then like right now it's.
Just make sure you don't actually change my move stuff. Make your own move script.
It should be its own. Well, the only difference would be, well, I don't know, I guess we'll have to do it. It should just be a toggle, like you just press a button and it changes the move thing so you can compare them directly. They should all be in at the same time.
That's fine, you can put in a button for a toggle, but functionally make the script something totally, distinct from mine so I don't have to go rooting out stuff from it.
Dave, do you know what you should do for the TV static thing?
What's that?
Is just invert, like do two frames and invert the things on the screen. Or maybe a couple frames that are different and invert them back and forth.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
It does need
Like
to,
it does not look like a staticky screen.
It looks-
all I did was I just made 3 boxes of noise just because, like, yeah, if I didn't animate it at all, it would look super weird.
I don't know. Up close, if you hit the K button and zoom in for the kill, up close, I think I love the way the static looks.
I think
on
part
it.
of the problem. I think part of the problem is the smudging on the screen, the dirt, because that doesn't change and it doesn't always read as like it reads almost as pixels that aren't changing on the TV.
Oh, the crack, you mean?
Well, he has the texture, the dirtying up texture thing on the TV.
Oh, are you not doing like, you didn't do like hard pixels on that?
On what?
On the screen.
Well, he has like the texture that's all that dirty texture that's on everything in this level right now is on that too. I believe.
It's just a brush that it is.
Yeah, he uses that brush to dirty it up, and you can see there's some black. Like I think that takes away from the static. Is what I thought it was.
Here's my next suggestion, and this might be like a balancy thing. I don't know if it'll be good or not in a real game, but when you're like in a crowd trying to blend in, walking to the edge of a screen, like you go only one way apparently. Hold on.
What do you mean?
Okay, so
You definitely need to be able to walk off a screen so that you look.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's a hard limit to where the camera is.
yeah, to the left I can't walk off the screen, but to the right I can.
Yeah, so I can fix that pretty easily.
Yeah,
We'll have to have
I didn't know like if that was the thing you wanted to like
No.
implement, to be like, hey, this is your limit. Like you can blend into a crowd until they're walking off the screen, or
I think you need to be able to walk off a screen, otherwise it'll be so obvious who you are.
yeah. I also thought that. But yeah.
What's to
can
keep you
walk
from
off
just
to the
hiding
right and
over
not
there
the
though?
left.
What, like, is there anything?
Maybe it just sends you back out like
Yeah.
a second later. You can't
do
stay
that.
back there.
The other option would be to do that wrap thing that you're talking about.
Yeah,
Chris,
you
just
could
have
do
it physically
Pac-Man
wrap you
rolls.
around.
Does every NPC walk at the same speed?
Right now, yeah. I have code in there that changes it to not walk at the same speed, but that had too many issues of being impossible to not blend in. It's so easy to blend in then.
Yeah, I think we want them moving at the same speed. Honestly,
Yeah.
I think we want the players trying to match their speed, which is why.
Maybe you could have, at some point, you could have different, the speed based on the sprite. Like if we have different sprites.
Yeah, something like that.
Like yeah.
It
if
must
you're
be
an
waiting
old
in
man
line.
and a
Something
and
about the line is
a bike
breaking
messenger.
Yeah.
Because yeah, my game's freezing up again.
Ooh, mine's getting a little framey too. What's going on?
It
Yeah.
must be waiting in line.
Is this because of the line? It's happening at a really, really like
Rapid rate all of a sudden.
consistent pace. Like it's like stop,
Yeah.
go, stop, go, stop, go, stop, go, stop. Yeah, like it's
Yeah, it's weird. I don't know what it is.
computing
off the top of my
something.
head.
Also, if you push, like, alright, if you're facing one way and you push just slightly
You can
the
moonwalk.
way you're not facing, you start to moonwalk.
Yeah, you can moonwalk. I realize that. I can fix that pretty easily, but I like doing it.
I enjoy it as well. I'm
I
just
wonder if it's
saying
the output.
that is in the game.
Yeah, I know.
I wonder if I'm literally overloading the output because I constantly am sending 1,000 messages to the output right now.
There is like yeah, all their Oh wait, is that from my camera thing? All those instance IDs. What are those? Are those the?
Those are I had those in the camera to help me troubleshoot it. So let me take those out.
That must be what it is. Yeah.
It could be. I mean, it's not guaranteed because that is only it does only just put something to the output, but it's not guaranteed to make the game slow. I don't know. Maybe when the output gets overwhelmed, it does slow down. Let me take that out though.
Oh, time went by so fast tonight.
What's it, like 5 o'clock?
I think it's time to hit the old dusty trail for me. I shouldn't have been up this late, actually. I forgot. Lauren actually has to fucking work tomorrow, which means I have to get up. Fuck, I forgot about that. Alright. That's the end.